Good. Lock. Everything lock. Right. Can.
Babes.
Huh?
Wait, do you lock up the place already?
Yeah, man, I go down the road down, so I go deal with something.
What want to say to you now? You know, so you need to go and tell your baby mother say you not go there here. You understand? You need some time. You need to spend some time with him. Like, seriously.
You know, so you're right, for true.
Yeah, tell her say you get a workout at Parish, St. Elizabeth, Manchester, somewhere up the line.
You're really right, you know, so I should have just. I tell her, you're smart. You're smart. I'm missing 70, you know, and I know them are worried.
You're right, I want you to come down here.
No, I think they should have really want to walk so far still.
What do you mean by?
I'm my woman, you know, really like the walk for, you know, you just love to sit down in the yard and cook and wash and clean. So we must know.
Well, you're not sure, you're not certain.
But I'm so glad. I'm so
when
glad.
a woman nasty, them man, what you think?
Well,
the intuitions chip in.
What you
understand what I say?
No, I don't think so.
I don't want that to happen.
No, but you're her best friend, right? So you should have known more, sir. She not gonna really like this or not. But you will chance it.
They know that me I try to show you?
But I'll go out there still and check them out. Because I want to see my kids them. I'm 7 days now, I don't see them picking them. So I'll go out there talk to them and see what's going on.
And no bother with nothing else, you know? No bother with nothing else.
No, man, I don't no sex to that. We rather buy her one time.
You better know say that the property there
I feel alone.
Right. Me own that the property, the private property, no trespassing. So you better know. Alright, let's say I'm put the sign.
Control.
You see you?
Control.
You're a bad boy, you know.
So you go on the road too?
I know so you love your thing, you know.
You go on the road too?
Yeah, I want to go on the road. So
alright, so I go.
You don't want nobody see me and you walk.
No, you go on first. If anybody see you on there, I say you come over, water your bag. First,
yeah, I don't see nobody.
Wow,
you nobody go give me my thing, you know.
No,
me I watch you.
Don't worry about that. I just have to check my mother and fit them. I don't do nothing. Remember, I pick them up there. I can't do nothing up there. And his sister, I don't like his sister night out.
Do you know saying sister?
No, man. Go on, man.
That hot girl there?
Yes, go on.
Ah, yeah, the one they fire it to him. We tell him if he come again.
Yes.
Well.
All right.
Soon come.
The sexy thing, I'm going to go for my woman, yeah, man.
Oh God, me just tired to walk down the big hill.
I know, but we have to walk this far because this is where your father
there. We have to live so far. We're not going to live together.
Remember, so we did try that once before, you know. But your father couldn't agree with my sister, your auntie, and the two lag ahead. So for a peaceful life, he moved, and this was the best place he could get.
I'm going to buy a bicycle, man, to come look for me. I'm
used to walking.
Oh God, but boy, I'm kind of worried still because over a week now, I'm not hear from him. Oh no, I'm sending a message. You see them now?
Try call him back, man.
Right now, my foot are hot.
All the call, nothing now got through, so I go down, was checking for money.
But open
and make him see. Yeah, man. You check him for some money for now. Cause you nyam no. Could I? Yeah, I nyam the buckle.
I know say he eat the last piece of bread peg when I have to eat though.
I figure use some serious on you, you know.
And then I tell me about how he gone down in her belly already and he can't come back out.
He gone down in her belly, but can't see where it gone. You know had nothing for sure feet, man. And you nyam enough.
Watch out.
Talk of the devil and him up here.
You call me if you not for walk down hill again.
Oh, so me they walk come for?
Yes. Coming to hear from you from this while. You have me worried, man. You normally message back.
Nothing wrong with that.
You know what can't happen in 7 days? More to the road. You know what can't happen in 7 days? Me not call it.
No, but listen. We don't understand right now. Me is a man like this, right? If me tell you something, let's stand up and understand that, right? Remember say your sister let me move out. And to avoid jumping over your sister, I stay at my quarters, right? Because you know me have my quarters, I'm not really busy. For nobody else.
You're free up. But you know, to stay out of communication with me, Papa. Never mind for me, for your daughter them. A week, and then when you don't know what is going on, your mind think the worst. You had me worried, man.
So,
They fret by you.
you run out of money?
Of course.
So, them a behave though.
Ever behave.
On the behaving.
Of course.
Oh, you behaving? No,
Only thing this one, yam, you see? She yam. Me surprised you come up
But
the
see,
hill and
see-
find the buckle still.
But see, it kind of look like you want to eat off the back.
I me
So-
can't see where you go.
How much is your week on a miss school?
2 days. 2 days.
2 days since last week.
Mm.
Alright, so 2 days. No worry. You see, me get a work enough still. Get a good job.
Mm-hmm.
You don't maintain me.
That's
So-
good.
All me want to tell you say you know, you know why go to school every day. I'm not to worry. But one problem. There's a problem. The job is not nowhere near my parish. So me are out of the parish.
For how long?
Probably about a month or two.
A month, bye-bye.
Yes.
And what kind of job that there?
No worry, head man. Me buy you one like tie them.
Me no,
You know
me no want no time, man. Me look like picnic to you. No, man. So how them a go eat for a month? Never mind
No.
me, you know. How them a go eat for a month?
That me have good news. Me I get paid every week. So every weekend they send a money come.
Or why? So if you don't, why you not do the job like Monday to Friday and then every weekend you come home to it? We want to see you too, you know.
Monday to Friday.
We miss you, you know.
No, me can't promise you 2 days out of the week. But me can look for you one time in a week. Alright, yo, I'm gonna make it easier for you. How about I can look for you every day, but spend a little time with you and then go. How that? You can't go cheat, can't go golfing, you can't go explore, you know? How about that?
How that sound?
So good.
Right. But on the auntie now, if I say on the auntie, everything mash up.
Well, we plan round it, man. We should not go there.
Yeah, me know I have nothing to do with that. Jezebel.
Mine what yes about my sister, she not going there. But as long as them alright with that, me good with it too.
I'm going to say your sister Jezebel.
Done it now. Me no want
She
me
like
and you have problems because you come with good
She
news.
too little and prime. That is the thing. She little and prime.
And you did think so you could take advantage to she little bit. You think you never know how so she talawa. You know so she little but talawa.
Me and you in the room. And I'm here living in that room there. Your family, on the family part, I don't have the house for herself. And she now go kin out in the bed naked. And see me I come in there. And go say, I'm me, I walk in for her.
No goes.
And I feel me room. When me belong for your family them house.
No go so.
I don't believe.
No go so.
Alright.
My sister would not do that.
Alright, tell me no believe.
She probably was in the room
She
changing.
didn't jealous of you that time. I mean, know that she bad mind you. Same way.
Change the subject. Me no want you discuss my sister. Just like me no want my sister discuss you. Honest, keep east to west and keep each other name out on the mouth.
I want
Deal with them.
If you talk to me before me left here. I want to know that hole up on the head. That's how I want to know. Don't be like me and your mother and be like your father. Don't be like none of it. Me never get no education. And your mother get education and sit down for me. So don't be like none of it. Be uno. Don't try to be like somebody. Don't tell yourself you're going to be like Janet Jackson. Don't do that. Don't tell yourself you're going to be like Rihanna. Don't do that. Because you'll be worse than that. Don't be the one garbage man. Because you might work on garbage, you're saying I'm going to work for it. Don't do that. You will go worse than it. You'll pick up trash.
Yes.
And then get down pay feet. You understand? I saw on the road busy, man. Like
I feel your road, for your road.
we have a busy day. And listen to me. Don't make no man tell you about how you look nice and how you pretty.
And that's enough to listen
And
to.
talk to them about no sweet. Sometimes when you ugly to them and they still tell you how you sweet and how pretty. Sometimes when you smell frowsy, then tell you how you smell
Listen to your
good.
father and stop worrying about
Yeah, me
food.
say. Don't make no man tell you about no say no one view. When they say send on one view, no shit in a one toilet and take a picture it and send it go give. In a one view.
Yes.
And when he asks what that's for, you say no one view, you ask for. You send him that.
Yes.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
No make no man. Tell him about how link them. And then left from Kutu, go a Hete. And so uno come back in a body bag. Sometimes they don't find none of uno. Uno bury 6'6". All of the family I look for uno all over Jamaica can't find uno rotten out under the ground. And then use acid burn uno out. Hold up yasso. Get where me no get. Get where your mother get, but don't sit down like uno mother. Right?
Yeah.
More when me old, and me can come so and say, they gonna want 1,000, me no want go here say.
And then the boy, me not no money, you know.
You're smart. So no go on out, I suddenly come check on before me go.
Alright, make sure you come give them words of wisdom like that. Me love that in you as a father.
Father alone cannot do it.
Me know.
Mother must sit down and teach them.
But them need the man's point of view too.
And you
Both.
must teach them not to use soap to wash them front. As though you have infection.
You ever see me have to carry them to doctor with infection? My daughters know how
me
to
just
clean
I
themselves.
don't know that. I can't know that.
That means you should know that as them father.
How? Okay. Alright.
Alright, well good. Make sure you come see me.
Good evening. Yes, Toga.
Afternoon, who name sir?
My boyfriend.
Oh, look, me no know.
In tall and in black.
Tall and in black. Tall and in black. You can direct, give me a good example of him.
Yeah, Toga and in tall and in black and him live down the lane.
He live down the lane. Me don't really know the person, you know. But me fast and tall black guy.
You know the person, because you say you are my friend.
Oh, that over there.
Yeah, that Toga there.
Oh. Well, me not really glimpse him, you know, but me see him up the road, though. I know me get it from, but you can go check.
Alright, I'm going to check him and see.
Yeah, man. Go look, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Poor Toga. Young miss.
Amiata,
Oh, man.
not a thing, Wagwan.
Anyway, you try to locate somebody around or something. You know Tav. Tav, yeah.
Oh, here just a lady.
Tavisha.
Me know her, man. She do me here.
Oh, she there, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, me I try to find
So before we get to people, them location and I don't know you. Why you look for her for?
me I look for her because they have me woman and me want to make him do her hair and stuff. So
Oh.
I try to find her.
She live up there, so when I see anytime you go up there, so you boss her left. That's all I have to do.
I'm find her.
Yeah. You just go right this way.
What color building you look for?
Our shop.
Dirty dog. I saw you walk around and looking like a young girl them. And I left my sister up there with the 2 pitney them for butter. I saw you really tan. I am going to warn my sister about it. Sorry, I never take a picture. Let me take a picture.
Look a cockapoo. Nincompoop, girl. You didn't even come here so to address the matter properly. You just come here cursing. A man come here and ask me for hair just as I can do it on my head. And that thing come here and ask me for hair
I
just
must see your head, man. You want to do.
Girl, let me see my head do already.
You know what question lead to?
What question later?
There.
Where you get that
Janko.
from?
Me and you know the same thing.
I say,
He's a different man.
if I saw you go in a relationship, then your relationship them
Dear,
don't real.
me not have time for relationship.
She not- she
Money
not-
me make.
She's
You mental?
Also me also
She
for
sell.
a living.
Oh, you sell?
yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that's why.
Not
I am not a public whore. I am a private one.
Oh,
my
wow.
thing
Guess
legit.
what?
My thing different.
I still or.
I
Look
don't
here.
care. It not bother me.
It not bother me neither. Where you come here so and I can look argument
Don't worry
for?
yourself.
I don't want no. Man just come here. Girl, look here. Girl.
If I were like
You see, anyhow you did come up here and adjust the matter properly, it would have to escalate and reach
See, this is the reason why I left in sister and move out, you know.
You left your sister and move out?
This is the reason why I move out, left in sister. Look where you...
How am I going with that?
move out of the way.
Yeah, sense I wa.
Move out of the way.
How you fool so?
Dumb, yeah? Right, I'm
Go on.
Yo, miss, that's one.
You know, you're for God.
Move person.
Yeah, man, I brought you. You?
You? Me go tell my sister about you. Oh, them me they go now.
So me business. I care zero. You feel when them waff dog, they were hungry for days. And I get nothing to eat. Damn bright. Oh, you say boss I left a back up yourself.
Oh.
Oh, God.
You text me.
I want to text him, make you smile. So what?
My baby daddy texts me. Papaya texts me. Oh, yeah, froze. Me not say you not like him from
Me know you not gonna like you, that one you know. But me have to tell you, my sister.
Tell me what.
You know, say me a walk a come up and guess who me see? Your baby daddy and one young girl. Turn up and that one piece of conversation. Me have a feeling say I look him, but I see me pull up and run with the little girl. You know, by the put no word to him about our hairdresser. Him a seek out. Make you come here. I lie, him a tell.
You love mix up and problem, you know? You always love mix up and bam down. That's why we can't deal with you more time, Riri. We better walk the road, so what? Let me tell you something. Not everybody low like you and get to like you. Here. Just because you will sleep with Dick, Tom, and Harry, don't mean so my baby daddy will do that to me.
This year disrespect me? And money, I know so me do it for money because I don't have education up there. So I do it for the money. The money. Sorry.
How much of that work you could have do for the money? You never have to sell from. You see,
I
do it.
Listen, a big house me want and big car me want drive. I'm not even so sure say I feel pitney them that day. I go the jacket.
Listen, me and the bigger one, you know. Try say that again. Me know who my baby pitney them father is. Hey, me know who my baby father them is. And one man go there to do 2 times, give me the 2 pitney.
So,
me I know you. Oh.
You really not believe me if you say me come out of the one home. You not believe me, sister? I said it still. You really put man over me.
Me know so you're trouble. And you make my man not there right now. Me.
Out of road you wanted, that's why you're not there.
True, you him not there. And while we're on the subject, him tell me, you know, you feel same now, tell me.
Tell you what?
Tell me what? How you can really feel so your chest so high? So you were gone in naked and wrap up in a towel in a my man bed.
Me?
Me? How you could have gone round to his quarters with nothing on to my man and I look at me and call me sister?
Listen, I know why your man kind of go give me no money. And me not so stay so bad to go lie down with your man. So take that out of your big crayfish brain.
Tell me.
Him tell me. Take you for a tree no want me if you be a tree want me if you have things, but that now go happen. You go always be my sister. One day you go see it say I throw me a talk.
Can't manage the stress with him, sis. We can't manage the stress.
I'm not stressed.
Raise up the pressure, man.
You just not believe me.
It make it hard to believe you.
All your friend, why your friend ask about your baby father if you put her in her place?
So what is wrong with that? She concerned for me. I mean concerned for she.
You're not going to see the things until how you go again. I don't remember. But remember me we say it to you. Me
What I say to me, man, you crush my vibes, man. Go around to your quarters, man. You don't like to people have anything and be happy, man. Sure.
Oh, God. Bye-bye. How you doing about play party?
Yeah, Uchawa, me can't walk.
Alright.
Yes, we alright, man.
So you say me can't talk and you not give me a chance.
Me tell you, so when you're 18, you can't listen.
But me are 18 now.
Oh, no. You can't worry.
What?
Check me next year then.
Me not understand what you say. You say when me are 18, you will want me. And now me at 18, you tell me to check you when?
You can check me next year.
No. I want you this year. Give me a chance this year. This year, I want you.
I can't manage it. Too much pressure in right now.
Which pressure in?
Me have too much on my plate. I cannot manage.
So what me I say? And the big fat girl and the pressure for the plate. Come we go tell your baby mother. Me we go tell your baby mother I not run no joke. Give me the chance now. You say me are 18 and me are 18, don't ramp with me. Me tired if you keep too much secret. Me we go chat pan you. Me we go chat. Give me a chance.
I say this time.
I saw me turn. Me want you how long from me at 17, you say me turn 18. No, me at 18, you come back next year. Next year, me I go 19. And when 19 comes, you come back other year, me I go 20. No, I know, me want you. By then, you get very old and swizzle up. Want when you young.
Oh, we try to make you understand, say. When me say, when I'm 18, I literally mean say, as a 18.
Well, when me say me not talk, me not literally mean say me not talking on you, so we go chat right now. Give me a chance in your lives.
See all of.
Deal when you're dead. Till death do us part. We in this together. Till death do us part.
Listen me can't tell another lie now. I tell my baby mother, say me I go spend 1 to 2 months at work somewhere. While me and Tikas are going lock down. What me I go tell Tikas now?
You're going to a workplace for 1 to 2 months. You lock down with me.
You can't do that. You only can split time. Me check you now and then.
I make up my mind. And me and you in this. Me and you in this and me want you. So you have to want me. Tell me from now so me know what to do. Me know if I go tell your baby your woman, you know. Tell me know.
Alright, you are. Link me tomorrow.
Which part?
Check me down here, but yeah, what you gonna do now? You gonna tell me Tikas say, me and you are sister and brother.
You mean a sister and brother?
Or tell her say you're my uncle. As simple as that.
Me your uncle?
Yeah.
You can't be my uncle.
No, me are your uncle.
Oh, alright. And I'm going to live in my house with you.
Yes.
Oh, I'm going to get all of the good things, them.
Me not sure, but you
The good shirt and it. The good things, them.
No, you have to just...
And the good something.
Relax, no. Me give you a chance and this is how you go along.
Alright. Me go start
I
talk.
no make no mistake and come by me name and say uncle each time.
Uncle each time. Bye-bye, uncle.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
Okay.
Me call link you tomorrow.
Yeah. What a problem.
Sister Charmaine. What? Long time when I see you, alright?
Listen, me, I don't know time for no meet and no greet. I have mixed up figure. Me say I don't know, say Susie. Over there go catch him man with his sister in her bed. In her she house, you know.
His sister?
You come like an eye, me I say, you know what she do?
Cha-cha.
She boil hot water and burn up the sister. Burn her up and I want to see her sister right now.
Oh,
burn up.
God. She do wrong, though. If you feel safe, it was me would have burn up the man. I'll burn him pan in wood, too.
So, what make you not want burn up your manhood?
Do that to me. After me done with him, me wouldn't burn my sister, you know. Cause me should always be my sister. And he made the promise to me, so I feel him would me that burn up. And can't use that again. The sister. Oh God, man,
Yeah,
that hot.
burn him up, man. Burn up real wicked.
That's why me not had them the problem. Me thank God for my man. Me thank God for my piece of baby father. And not do that to me. My sister, we don't burn up the two of them.
Listen to me now. You see, sometime in life, you see who you think say your man there, them are your man not in a nothing. But you see who you not suspect, and them are your man not things. So go on, tell about my sister.
So hold on. Where do you job?
What you mean by word?
So what you mean by who me nah look for? I hope you and my baby father know enough things, you know?
Look for me. Look how me big. Me like Chang, man. Your man too skinny for me. Your man can't lift me up. Me like Chang, man. I know me like Chang, man. Me not like skinny, man.
That's true.
So,
me remember.
Fix up your folly grounds.
me know. But me just never like the way you put the thing.
I give you a word advice. And if you open them here, open your eyes.
Well, me not have to worry about my sister like Susie with hers, you know. Because for one, baby before that, my sister can't grieve. Can't grieve not at all. So me good pan that the one. And me can trust him. So me not get the worry.
Right now, Susie over there ball.
She
But me not know if a ball fan of him but up in sister.
No, sir, that one hot man, that one hot. And him get away scot-free. He could never do that to me. Oh.
Well, I mix up my congy. You know no in the house if you eat.
Yeah, man, we always have food. Help yourself.
So you
man.
cook.
Mm-hmm.
You cook.
Mm-hmm. Cup.
Jesus, man. Head a hot me, man. Chop. Are you me walk a look fine now?
We all walk a look for me last. Eh, me last. You mean are you me the walk a look for? A that if you say? Where you come from?
How the road me dey go?
Go do what?
Eh? Go buy something. When me drink on the road I come.
So boy, you ever go on the road and me not see you coming with nothing you not coming with. Where you they go up? You they work for Mr. Freeman? Every day you gone on the road.
Yeah, eat that. You fool. Then juke up your brain. You feel me a idiot. Go they go work me hard working money I take you account I go give you. For your mind, for you take it girl. Eh? For you take it girl, any girl out there where you have. For you take it give them just like how you go do with me best friend. Eh? You know why me even not attack you about yet? I chose to give me one little piece of money. When me just go and rap back, you hear? But I see when the time come and me feel like me broke again, I go and attack you about it.
So you really have up that look we pass and gone much years now?
When what you mean? Friend, you go do something one time, you go continue to do it, you know. You not go stop because it's sweet you. And you realize I'm not say nothing about it. So you go there continue to do it because I'm not say nothing because I'm an idiot. I true me get one little piece of money. Where they go?
Me there say me I walk go down the road. Did I come look for you, but as we meet up yourself.
Yes, can we go up now?
Yeah, man. Yes, baby. I'm tired.
You tired? How tired you?
Me for me at the house me did there.
And you come and ball for tired. You come and ball for tired.
Yeah, come on. Finish up the concrete out, you know? You not back it bill a while ago too. Cause you know me never left it open now. So what about different?
But just I wonder say which part you there.
Oh. You know me not cheat for you, man. Come on, man.
How?
How with that?
It's me, your niece.
Oh, my niece, come.
Uncle Bye.
Yeah, baby, me remember
You know
to
that-
tell you. Me never remember to tell her, babes. And she come, me just remember. Why you mean not joke to it?
Yes.
Yeah, man, see it's a good niece to have, man. Good niece. See them bring Josie, I know say you must drink now.
Hi.
Hi.
See, I go see you with you.
Anything in a woman, me not trust, you know. Me not trust nothing when a woman around my man, you
Don't
know.
worry about me, you know. I'm an uncle, I don't want him. He's too old for me.
Do all for you. When a young girl love sugar daddy, when you love old man.
You know what an old man I do?
I'm a niece, what me I do that? Come on, man. It's too
Unless I know me and you there. Me know you know. Me know your style.
You take me away from your friend. Right? I know me there. You know your arm. I might need to spend some time with you.
That's why I can't trust you because listen. They say unfair gameplay.
No, and I play twice for you. Triple.
40 times.
What this?
No, you don't understand. You understand me?
No, she not. I don't think she understand.
Alright. I love you. I want to hurt you. Right? You say you take care of me. Right? That's all I'm there for. You take care of me.
You ask one question.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you love her. What is love?
Love, alright.
Yes, what is love? You say you love her. What is love?
Love is something where no matter how we try hard, we can't find it. But it's there. It's right in front of us, but we not see it. You don't understand? Alright, me love her.
You can't find her.
I cook me
But
there,
yeah,
I cook
she
little,
the-
hey, I cook me there, I cook little food. You see? Turn off that stove there for me. I hope you don't put no poison in my food.
Just come here, woman.
Turn off the stove.
You know, she talk good boy, that's why I tell her, say, love big juice. You never know, she should have buy that big juice. I'm thinking, you gotta buy regular.
Hey, me tell you something, you know. My love no gambling, you know. Make sure tell you for I know.
How come I play poker?
My love no gamble.
I'll spot me and sleep.
You're sleeping in the room with me. We have a big king side bed.
Oh.
So,
See, man, I calling phone.
Sleep where with you? Sleep where with who?
in bed big enough. You want my
You think this a egg sandwich? Where you take this thing for?
They can always sleep at the end.
Tell me truth now. You know,
The floor in our move, it good for you. It hard
I
enough.
am a guest.
And you look hard for the floor. The floor is hard enough for you.
This is a woman from.
You not sleeping in no bed with me and my man in
you
here.
don't like your niece. You don't like your niece. Come here.
Me say she not sleeping in no bed with me and my man in
You want
here.
your man sleep on the floor then, me dear.
Me say, you hard enough. Couple you if you are them come and fall. The floor hard enough for you.
We can't sleep in the
I'm
middle.
not happy with this.
In a way?
In the middle.
In the middle?
Yeah.
Then me get up and find you a mingle.
We know. Me no want your man. Yeah, your man not that even make one.
For me see you, me know say you love take people, man.
Uncle want to tell me uncle.
Go put on your bag for the business.
Hey, look.
No, me we find out in here. Me we find out in here because something fishy for you coming here.
You too relax now. You don't learn from here and behave.
When it come to my man, me no play. Me no play a game. What you take this thing for? Hopscotch?
You're going to make me move on and then into you chat too much.
Move go away.
You trust me?
You don't lock up under my spell. You don't have nowhere to go.
What spell you talk about?
Don't worry yourself.
What you talk about?
Two-legged spell.
I don't trust you, you know. God no, I don't trust you.
You forgot to say me cook for you?
I'm not bother hungry today. I'm not hungry. I go.
You name that long time.
I go, talk to my niece.
Don't worry yourself. You go on.
I talk to
your
my
niece.
niece. I'm sure what away she.
Wait. Without who? Without who?
Go and cook it pot, man.
And when I feel your house in this and I'm not right for do nothing behind my back.
No, man, just go and cook it pot, man. What you deal with this?
Me no bother want cook.
Why?
Because me need for hear what I talk about.
Alright.
Me no bother want cook. Me no bother want cook. Come.
Wait.
You not talk without me now. Man.
No, man, let's see, man. Go on. Go back.
You know say man I play with me. Listen. Me no like it. Me no like it. Yeah.
My niece? Yeah. Come here.
But you want talk without. I tell you, say me I watch you, you know.
Alright. Because if you make my peace with Nina, I feel my woman can trust me because I want to know why a man like me would want to lay down with my niece. My sister.
You can't turn up too. You're not feeling down.
You're sleeping in the city. Yeah? Yeah, man, you're sleeping in the city. You're comfortable. You have a whole comfort to yourself in the city. You have a nice time in the late hours.
Okay.
You know what? Me I go on the road, you know. Me not even bother cook that part there, you know. Me I go on the road. Me I go buy a brand new file. For the machete. Me I go buy a brand new file. Let me tell you.
Go and cool up.
Okay, if you think so that ain't easy with me and you in here.
Love you,
Go
yeah.
niece.
I'm gonna go and take care of myself. Yeah. And I don't really want no dinner today, you know, because that talk the way you put, I don't bother want to eat.
It better for me. You have something coming for you. You just wait. Go niece. Go away I go. Foolishness, niece. You come in here for take my man.
Mm-hmm.
So you
How?
Is they ever come in with things that drink and my throat dry?
No, me buy things, baby. Just relax, man. Me already duck my baby mother just to stay with you. The amount of house that me have. You see, I run from house to house. So nothing wrong with it.
Make your foot cock up, so. Set better in our place, man. Set better in our place, man. Go over. I want some water, so. Make your foot up on my bed.
Papa,
What is?
you see what happened a while ago?
What the one, so? I want really take place, here, so.
Make I put on my... Put on this.
Put on if it's true, come on, you come in my bed, I can cock up.
So you never see over there, so?
I'm
calling man, my foot cock up whatever you
know. Right there, something there. Me a picnic, you're not supposed to do them something in front of me, man. Do better, man. Train on the picnic. Oh, what is me right them and something here?
Come on, baby.
Hello!
Come over here, so.
You don't feel like you want to sleep?
so.
You don't feel like you want to sleep if you go in
I don't want to sleep. Me a rub Charlie brush over me.
Hello, me ready for sleep now. Me ready for sleep.
Come.
Why? I'm soon come on, baby.
We go around.
That can't work. That can't work in here.
You don't trust me?
You know, so me go look for that. I tell her, so me go sleep with my shit.
You don't trust me?
You know, so if I come here, I pay a problem, I pay a misery, me and my man, you know?
Come on, baby.
I feel like you're not going to do, you know?
Relax,
I feel like you don't want to do. You're in my bed. You're there cock up. I'm going to like them cock up something there. What is here?
So, what kind of sign that?
No, me a fan mosquito for you.
What kind of sign that?
Jealous? I fan me a fan mosquito for you.
You just big like for your set good with your big self. Where probably run! You say me can't sleep in the bed where you
all come around there.
Come here.
Anywhere me man be a there, me a there.
Come here, babes.
Go on with her now.
You want to sleep? Go on.
Me no want to sleep.
Yeah.
Me no want to sleep.
Me put out. Listen. Go in and make a jar. Deep down in the corner. So put out $300 US. Baby, that's go and cut them out and line them up here. Fear it. Yes, baby. Just do that.
Go on.
Yeah? Count out it.
So you so come?
Yeah, man. I said good. Just take off the clothes. Skin out. May I come, no worry. Go and make your fan blow up under you. Make it tight.
You don't feel like washing tonight, no? Cause you love when time you no washing, no?
That's it.
You see you? Now you not done it. Because something up with you in here.
Yeah, go on for take something and junk your face.
Yeah, you're not done yet, girl. Look at your forehead big.
You see your mouth big and their one must be big too. Come at you know like wash under you.
You know say you disgust me with that girl. You disgust me, you know? You hear what she a going to talk, say?
Sure.
And that you tell me one night. So me I get too spacious. You see? That's why I
know. No, Mr. Me sound the last in the crowd.
You're not in a something. It's alright.
No.
It's alright. You are going to beat up your foot.
I'm in this. Love you.
It's about love you and about money. It's about love you and about much US.
I'm going to dig clean food. I hold it for clothes on that.
We share cock up. I mean, I like them. There's something there, man.
No, relax, man.
Me want cock up too.
Cock up where?
Me pan you.
With them long black foot, yeah?
Yes. Our problem. What is the problem?
Just relax, so. You tell me say you want a chance. I'm telling you, be yourself for the
chance come with cocking up foot too.
Yeah.
Me feet them want do.
Jesus Christ.
They can kiss them too. They look lovely. Rub them down.
Kiss your ass.
What do them? Tell me what do them there? Beautiful toes. Mwah. Rub them, man. Rub them.
Them your foot I can't go in and
rub them till me drop asleep. You say. Oh God, rub my feet them.
Jesus Christ, how am I put myself in that?
What happened? What? What?
Good.
What happened?
Then we can't relax, so you can't go.
What happened?
We spend like a time with that.
Yes, spend like a time with me. Lie down.
Let me. Yeah, so I check every single house. You know, I'm tired. I'm gonna see I'm come right at time. I'm really fine, you know.
Wait time.
Yeah, so.
Wait.
Wait time.
My jeans.
Wait time.
Where do for the road?
I look for daddy.
What you do yaso? What you do yaso?
Hold on there. Ahuda. What going on
What
there?
you doing here? Hey.
What you mean, so what me are doing here?
You not even put for house. No, she can't in here, but what you doing here? You have to go, come on. Daddy, are you a jeans lift? You have to go, come.
Look, girl, come here. No,
You have to
what?
go.
Pay your woman.
I want this here. Come.
Go.
Are you a come?
Fluffy.
Go pay your woman
Fluffy.
yard. Go pay your woman yard.
I want this.
Fluffy.
What is it?
Are your friend that to you?
I don't care.
What make a fight?
Hey, so when you wait there, I want me hear Sharon say.
She has said, what father do down here?
What?
Hey! What?
Gone.
Oh, you're there out here. Come here.
No, this is one
me outside,
Let me tell her, work every house come.
No, where you come see
house,
Yeah, so
Alright,
this.
because my
with
father asleep and she asleep. But she sit down up and my father lie down. So him never in her lap. So we all got me up so no far.
Hey.
But look, girl, you know.
Daddy, yes is she.
You
Daddy,
know
half her head.
Oh, you so
You
lying.
say your head look.
Where you come see us a while
Yeah,
ago?
yeah, what she say? Me say, she like so.
Oh, just sleep, babes. Come.
That me say.
No.
I'm waiting my father, daddy, where you do your stuff.
No, do.
Go around floor.
Problem.
Daddy, lower no, cause she
problem, you know.
I help you out here.
Help you.
Where you come to help me?
I gotta make mommy
Make a
beat
your back.
you.
This way you create now?
What me create? And what you create? Because you carry a little leash bag in your counter about your knee.
Man, who ya talk to, you know? Man, oh, ya approach me.
So you
That girl want me to pat over. You look like you look like you want me pat cover in that today.
Yo, go hold on, no, me ears are ring. Go hold on, me God. How are this?
Come.
You think you see it here?
Come.
Wait till me have full proof so you take my money here. Okay?
Fine.
You look like she going on my pat.
Come on.
Come here with the hungry belly. You come near my face.
Go on.
Go on, cause I think I'm best friend, man. You know, shame or no pride.
Don't touch me neither.
She right.
What am I face? So you have friend
like.
You never know, say me your best, me your woman best friend. You never know.
Me not gonna try sometimes.
Well, go on with the other man, Alberta kill me.
Go on, baby.
This by looking
You
at
don't know what kill you.
Go on,
They
baby.
say a person smell themselves first, so you know what kill you.
When me can't kill myself, me smell nice and fresh.
Wow.
Go on, okay, you can't keep a man.
Love you chat too much. One
You think you get it, let me fan cover?
come check in the middle of the night. Go on,
Yes.
lay down.
Alright, pan come back.
Me, you see when me get my hands on the little guy. Lord God.
Watch him.
You? Where you did that there? Where you did there?
Man yard.
Where you did there? You know how far me I walk and I look for you?
You see me at the man yard? A man yard. You
man yard.
Man yard. Let me tell you, me did them, mommy. After you see, after I left up there, so, when me and you are see daddy, after me I come back, when you descend me a shop, right? And me I come back, and me but daddy, I'm call him and I'm gone. So me say me I go look for daddy, you know. I'm go up my old house, him not up there. I'm go up my next house, him not up there. I'm go up my next one, him not up there. I'm come down a new one now, me see him. And him asleep, and me see one tall black girl, are your friend? So I'm knock, and wait for daddy, I say daddy get up, me come. Daddy I say me a sleepwalk. So I'm say no, I'm not sleepwalk. So the black girl lick me in my eye and run me out. So I'm come out, and then me see your friend now coming, so I'm going back. And me say, what you do ya? What you do, I'm father out. Then she draped me up and start beat me. Yeah.
Where she live
So daddy me a come from, she all jail me pal.
How she drive from so?
Yes, I'm
So?
a step out back.
She drive her up so?
Yes,
I
I'm
go
a
phone
step
your
out back.
I go phone your
Mama
father.
believe that?
I go phone your father.
Then it man see a man yard ya come from man. You get
Hello.
man.
Hello, baby. You alright?
What?
Me good. Let me ask you something. You see my daughter today? You see my friend today?
Oh, shit, that's your friend. I'm in the middle. I'm going to see him.
Where you there?
I'm going to send you.
You there in a Senti?
Yeah.
Right now?
Right now.
You not surprise me and come down? Move out to the people in glass.
A 2 months I spend.
Alright, baby, no problem. I phone you later. Nothing, baby, nothing.
For sure.
Uh-huh. I believe you say you set up a Senti and you not come down none at all. No. And you not see we picnic none at all.
No, baby.
Alright, no problem.
Love you, yeah?
Love you too, baby.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
No problem.
Mommy, I saw me tell
You?
about.
Alright,
Mommy,
You're too How you can me out to the street and walk up and down? Where you go? And I run out to another road. Hey?
Watch out.
Hey? If I ever catch you, get yourself back home. You come out on this tonight, you know.
Oh God, son hot man, mommy.
Son hot bad man. In October.
So mommy, I really did mean you when I say I go send my sister for you.
I think you think so joke me make.
I feel like
Me
joke
run them the
make.
kind of joke. But reason flicker. Between you, me and Ja. There's another reason why I send your sister away.
What are you know, mommy?
As well as her mouth. But she have a mouth on her. But she not really chat things like that. Big story like that. So something in her something.
Probably a true, you know, but me feel like say a lie. Michael.
Well, girl, me I go play wise. Me I go play fool for catch wise. Cause your father thinks same clever than me. And we are gonna try something. So me send your sister up there. Your father now go on stand there.
So mommy, why you choose to come in at this area, Connie?
Because him now go turn where your sister there. I mean, no, see, my place to just him I go come down, yes, sir. So we are gonna hold a little place around the corner. We can get it for about 3-4 days. And any day name day me see him down here, sir. So, next thing, this is between me and you know. Nobody else know, you know.
Yes,
So anyhow you open your mouth and spoil my plan, I straight up there me send you to. You understand?
Yes, mommy. I'm gonna stay with you. I don't want to go, so I not go spoil your plan.
Alright. Sometimes in life you have to play fool for catch wise. Come. What is this? Are your face set so? Yeah.
Why? Me can't believe you really send with your picnic. I left this a bad fall one ya. Eh?
Hey, what that have to do with you? Huh? What that have to do with you? Me send my daughter away for a little while. That is between me and them.
You feel like you want to send me away?
I should have my yard do the next year. Me send with your back.
So send me away now, no?
You know, say your daughter not have no manners. You need to groom her.
I must take it from you.
How should we take it from me and she not around me?
Me not say dear dog to you, and the minute you see me, I come with the cross himself to me.
I no cross himself. I choose. I choose. You want she come and not make no money neither. Because she not even make no money.
What, make money like a you? Money like a you?
Me no want to be like you.
Wait, hold on there. You mean by you don't want to be like me?
Me no want to do said job where you do.
Tell your pitney them what kind of job me do.
What, you say you're not ashamed? You say you're not ashamed?
Remember say, you used to do the same job too and me used to follow you. Me used to follow you go do the job.
But the main word in that, used to.
Well, nothing wrong
And
with
you
what me do.
still do it.
Something wrong I eat put food for me table. What now?
Yeah, man, you good.
Yeah, me alright. Where you come from?
Up here there is a money me come say me can ask you for enough. You know, enough can give me or lend me.
Kuya, me think says man supposed to give woman money, not the other way around.
Do you have a
That's
problem
so
about that?
Of course, my mother have a problem with
That's
it.
how you work. How are you look after? Your sister, but sometimes she bright and fresh.
I lucky me never catch him a while ago. You know.
Job and pull your trousers up over your body. So, it's all.
Watch ya. Fatia, where are they so?
Look, girl, let me ask you one question. Let me even come closer. Let me ask you one question.
Question can't answer question.
No. You're not supposed to ask me when me are do ya, so me a big woman. And when you are do ya so, little girl, when you are do ya so as a little pitney.
You know about when me do ya so. When you they do ya so.
But you come like this, a little girl. You know, say, oh, you know, say, that's why last night me see your sister come in by your father, you know.
Okay. Oh. So I chew my sister did not tell.
No. A mistake.
You know worry yourself.
Anyway, I never that me mean for say.
Anything else that you did mean to say.
You know what? You know if you be most of it, me go call your mother.
Call her.
Me call your mother.
Call her.
Cause me want to know you are doing something. Dem a place here. A 3 drive you have to take for come at dem a place here. So me want to know where you are doing.
Hey girl, you alright?
See your mother, yeah. What go on, my friend?
Where go on? What you deal with?
Girl, let me give the news splash. No, your daughter, me see I want party, yeah? And a 3 drive you have to take for come here, so you know far?
Where so?
God, we are I want way corner.
So little girl, what you really do so far?
Talk to your mother.
Mommy, I walk.
That take 3 taxi if you get to. Lisa, I beg you sort her out for me. Has some me give
You
her
hear
2
that?
lick for me.
Sort out too.
You hear that?
Hey, your mommy make a lick me today. You see what happen? Oh, yeah. You know.
Alright. Lisa, do. Not bother lick her again. Here?
Oh, Jesus
me
Christ.
deal with her. Come in and know where she find herself though.
After you just tease up my hand, but them now for go lick this girl in her backside. Eh?
Hush.
Alright then.
Alright.
You take care.
You get your ass home now.
You hear
Alright, mommy.
that? You better you have fear?
Yes, me have fear.
Well, go on where you are go. Go on where you are go.
You
Go you come ask me where me I do ya so. Cause you tough like. I could get like you fit the pandemic road yeah. But you say you do towards a relationship, Carl, yeah. This no look legit at all. Me see you when you feel like you want to see me, you come look.
Don't worry about that, B. I'm telling you, know, say I doubt me, you know, trust and believe in me. Me can't say all of them or something. Yeah.
Them a young boy, you know what is, you can't trust them.
How you know that?
Trust dead. And you see him one tell me so, me trust dead long time.
How she to you?
I'm a sister.
How she just come pull your waist, so what happen?
I'm a sister.
Are your sister?
Oh. So, you alright and something?
Yeah, man, me alright, man. You good?
Yeah, me alright. The upper yard me they go.
Alright.
So, me will see you or you call me when I reach home.
Alright.
Alright, me in-law.
Alright, my in-law.
So she favor me. Said father and said mother we have, you know. Dead stamp of mommy and dead stamp of daddy. Wake up,
You
man.
look good, but me not question you. Me not question you. Time we tell.
So come on, go down the road now.
Well, come on, cause it see you.
So, you hear me, so now?
Yes,
you know, you know,
what I want to understand is where every time you go somewhere, tickers after they pack up and come with you.
You know what happened last night? Me happy move from there to come here, so. You know, see that 3 drive come here, so. Then you can't find me here, so.
Me think you need to get rid of tickers. At times, tickers move. Tickers have to come too much space.
No, man, we kind of.
See them if you sleep on couch. When I like something here,
But we move now, so you have to sleep on couch again.
like how we remove tickers from to your side, man. Me tell you that.
What am I going to tell her, say?
It's over.
No, you mad. And then you go tell me, woman, you must be mad, you know who is my baby mother.
Me will tell your woman. You know, me will tell your baby man, you know who is me? I'm afraid of her. Tell her
Something like
over.
you're mad or something.
You mad with what?
You call my baby mother and tell him, you must have been a murder two at one time. You can't even play, just slow the guys.
They see me a play a game and you interrupt me.
What is that, this?
You're just dangerous with your mouth.
Oh.
See, can I buy me something to eat? I'm hungry, you know?
Chicka's a cook, man.
Me don't want to eat for... What are
Jesus.
No, you're not that, man.
How?
Daddy, where you do you so?
What you are
How?
doing, so?
Everywhere one on happy walk up.
So?
Why? Oh, you reach here, so?
Eh?
How you reach in that area? That more I know.
How much in that area?
Yeah, how you reach in that
Even
area?
3 taxi can't get rid of
Right
your
up
pitney
there, so
them.
me I come from right up there.
Where you do up there, so?
You know about where me I do this, so?
Little girl, where you doing so? Where you doing so? You know, see me and father have a boyfriend and girlfriend moment, you come and interrupt me.
Boyfriend and girlfriend moment?
You can't say that.
First, you had a sister with your long string bean body. Now are you?
Why you?
All Fatty are the next one too. Fatty ever they interrupt we never have a good moment.
No. Alright, you what? I'll make a deal. You not see we, yeah?
Eh?
You not see we?
Me not see you.
No.
Yeah, man, I'm going to pay your money.
You have money.
What happened?
$50 can't do nothing.
But you're bright. You know much people that want $50. You think you're better than $50?
What $50 can buy?
Suck.
No. So
You have me data. Please, they're bigger. No make. You see how your little sister gets sent away down a country. No make that happen to you. So you see the phone, yeah? Take it. Because you want an iPhone.
Because
Like
you
your
use the
iPhone.
Android. Fake Android.
This you take picture good.
You don't feel like this picture good?
No.
No. The
Picture good.
last time you see you take a picture with your mother, many things say your mother did brown. That not good. Use this. This take a natural picture. What is?
Me I go up here. Me I go show me that thing.
B, make sure you're hungry and go have a
Tell-
dinner.
First of all, see ask me get the phone from.
Since I'm fine, you're fine.
Find me.
We have a moment. Bye-bye. We having a lover's moment. Say good, because you are because everybody better ruin this
The
moment.
passport.
Then dear, figure out the passport. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Tone down.
Jesus Christ.
Talk to your daughter and I can't kick it down, you know.
Keep me down.
Go on, man.
Keep me down.
You fear if you go where you go on.
Yeah.
Me
Yeah.
they have a moment with me man and you interrupt me.
Me no see you no. Look.
Good.
Me never see you. You're too black for me see you.
Alright. Keep on.
Me want dinner.
Better yet.
Better
Now
yet,
move from right. So come in and trust that. Remember what happened? Me no want that
Then I
happen.
can with you.
Come on.
Oh.
Tickers must done cook.
No win.
Where this girl gone and then hear the rain? So. What she mean now when she come? Me see you already.
Evening, mommy.
Evening, mommy.
I'm tired.
Where you come from?
We go take a walk on the road.
Take a walk on the road. Me send you gonna anywhere?
Mommy, me go look for daddy.
What you a do? I walk road. I look for your father.
At least I know a night. I know night me go like my sister. Me go a day.
Me send you go nowhere. I'm me one for walk the road look for your papa. Huh? When I even come from round here, you know where you go?
No, my made that walk already, so me kinda know me.
Kinda know. No do it again.
Alright. You know who me see? Your friend. She walk past me.
Which friend?
The thick girl, man. And she brown.
Lisa?
Yeah, your friend. Me see him like a shopping bag. Like him a go shopping. Me don't know where am I going, but how am I doing at the salon?
You sure says by Lisa you see?
Yes, me say she, me see.
Well, anybody can be anywhere, cause look where we there. But me no know.
So what she had to do so? We live up so. She did the up so too, cause of your friend, right? We come down here so now what she had to do so?
Me no know. But that is fair business anyway. Let me tell you this. You see, anytime you go pan decide, say you a big woman and go pan road before me send you. You say you don't want to go join your sister?
No, man.
Try it again and see. Let me take this thing for joke. Don't go pan the road, go look, say you look for your father and nobody.
So, mommy, if you alone walk, how you go find him?
Me will find him. My ancestors will lead me to him. You don't need to worry about that. Anything can happen. Remember, so when I come from this your lane.
Oh.
Alright? So it might seem like I'm nagging, but it's for your own good too. Here?
Yes, mama.
Alright. Let me go check something out, cause something not right sound right. You sure, say Lisa?
Yes, mommy, Lisa, me see.
Alright.
Mommy, where you carry me go?
Me done phone Marco already.
Marco?
So I meet you at the mountain.
Then mommy no Marco come for my sister.
You take this thing for joke. Me never warn you. Eh? Me never warn you and tell you, say, don't ramp with me. Oh, no, you still can't tell me who give you phone. So since you turn woman in this.
Daddy give me iPhone.
Your daddy there. Eh? Me a real fool. Me born yesterday.
Let me show you proof. Hold on. Hold on.
What kind of proof you have, sir?
Alright. Listen.
What is? Who this?
Boyfriend and girlfriend moment, you can't interrupt. Boyfriend and girlfriend moment.
A what?
Black girl that mommy. See me.
Hold on. Do you think what time this? When this?
Yes, see there, see it there.
Little boot. What is?
I want to shop, mommy. I see me see them. Serve me dog, go to and I see them.
Wait. Alright, same day. Alright.
Alright, so when you give me
So who better than $50?
She give me $50 off a top.
What this brute? I give home.
See, daddy, I gonna give me iPhone, they know. See, they know.
So all this time, the dirty brute, they right. You know what? Alright. Me see plenty.
You believe now?
You know what? It's not safe right now for you for still there. So still go down the lane for me. I will still go with Marco. Me have a deal with that there brute.
Hello?
Wagwan.
Me there.
You good?
Yes, me good. But no, me not so good, you know. Come here, I wonder, say, how are you there?
Japanese say I go and cool out, you know?
But this time when you come like up, me not tell us, me tell us there is something with you and that girl.
No,
but me I go find out, no?
Listen, me one of my niece, man. You don't know some trust. Alright, listen. You know the reason why you are going stuff? I become me and you. My baby mother and your best friend, right? Don't feel like that the same thing. When you say you're our best friend.
Well, me take care of her.
Hey, me catch you. Me catch you. You too, Lisa.
Baby, later.
You too. Really? I mean, you really do that too?
Girl, listen, man shot, you have to share them. You have to share them. Man shot, girl, you have to share them.
I saw you the pan fire, so you have to take it best. Me and you live like sister, Me know everything about, me did think, me know everything about you.
When you come to man, a different something. A good man and he need a good woman kind, so you can't cook. And the first time I cook stew peas, give me the best stew peas.
So stupid, you give me baby father. Hey, me know what you do now. Me know how him going.
I'm there upon the
well done with that raw meat. You sure really right?
Never tell us I'm eat raw meat.
Oyster.
My man no eat raw meat.
So I ain't gone from cooked meat to raw meat. You can't even look me in my face. You really
Come
do
on,
this
look
to
in
me.
your face, girl.
You is one wicked, you know. What goes around comes around, you know. You think Sam are gonna be loyal to you? Huh?
I want hurt you.
What, are you one him off?
No, I don't mean. Oh, I got me to carry him. I don't want him up. Next woman today.
So you not have no standard, none at all. Eh? My daughter don't show me. Say, my other daughter was right. Eh? Worthless.
If him have 10 if he be 11.
Graveyard cemetery girl. Eh? You know,
You never show not fear it.
Come out to my face.
Me never show not fear it.
How long? Eh? How long you skin your teeth in my face and I there with my baby
Longer
father?
than you ever think.
Lord God, he's one dirty Ross, you know. Get out! Come out of this! We don't want to see you, you know. Never call me your friend again.
Your man
don't call me. No, take him.
Your man sweet me, so me take him.
Take him and keep
Yeah,
him.
sweet
Take him
me,
and
so me
keep
take
him.
that.
It's dirty.
Boy, you have nothing to hold a man.
I'm watching in my life.
I may have all of what your man want, girl.
Everything we do for you.
The man want you. You're ugly like
I can't believe the woman coming like my sister, you know.
Mommy, come on, I'll go back up here. I can help you fight them.
No, baby. Straight up. Mark, I'll come for you, and you have to go. This is a big man fight. Thank you. I go straight up the hill. Mr. Man, me can't even walk with you right, you know. Wait till me see him.
Oh God, that was good.
Yes, I like it.
Yes! But guess what? Today,
Wow.
the thick one, the one there I would do it. Call me, you know. And I remember me call him and say, but me know said he there put the phone on speaker. Make me woman here.
You see a baboon that?
Me want to know where he reach. That's to me woman here, cause I pay move, me and move, you know, on the run, you know.
But you must stop. Talk to her and talk to me fully. I do not want to hear.
Oh man, but
Apart from what things you want. What these things you want?
sometimes I have to have a little teddy bear to squeeze.
It's not a teddy bear for squeeze. You better talk to you want to talk to little fat girl, man.
I call me bear, man, yo. I know that, me soon put her out, man.
Yes, put her out. Come
It's the
on.
same way how me duck my baby mother.
Yeah.
I saw. Me go duck her to me, I go run tomorrow.
Yes, so we are going to run a care. Want me to?
Yeah, you're good, yeah, you're tight.
Yes, and that is tight.
As me say, she know.
She does big and sour. Me have the grip me.
And
Right.
she thinks me, yeah, me need to know that I go this thing.
Yeah, me baby.
Yes, I'm glad you're fat.
Yes.
You feel like me not go roast to you know,
Yeah.
yeah.
What go on, auntie?
Come here.
Auntie.
Come.
Uncle and niece.
No, I'm prank we have run now, I'm prank for you, man.
Uncle and niece.
Where?
Niece have the grippy.
What you talk about?
And this big old sweep up and I have none.
What you talk about?
Me not know what you talk about.
So me ask you one question. Me hear every word.
Every
word. Me not a ditch you go ditch me like how you ditch the next one.
Oh, you get access to front one.
Oh. That one you live here.
It's here. But
Trawi.
you have your manners to knock.
Trawi.
You have to knock. I'm a bridge in the house. You know.
What do you mean say Trawi live here?
You blind, you don't see me? You don't see me? And the Trawi living at this.
Me,
Trawi
you,
in at
and
this
me.
together. You don't blind, you not seeing me. Me that
And
black.
me.
Trawi in our, yeah.
I Trawi living
Come
at the house.
like the bottom part where this cook rice in our left.
And you come like the ocean and that's why me I take the man. And I need your big. Oh, right. Me tired for you pretend now. Me tired for you pretend. Oh, it's me man. What is the problem?
So are you a go there?
Yes, I'm my man. Me tired for you pretend now. Own me up.
Discuss me with she.
Own me up. Talk with her talk before
When
she
I
come
have
here.
big, more have to know if me not compatible.
Talk. Talk out your mouth.
Your breast never lose.
Good.
So me not
Right.
have nothing compatible.
No.
No, you not.
So you would have move out the control and moving me for. And what happened?
We just did want a new You ready view. But unfortunately, we find one newer one.
You know, say
Right.
you know, say I feel like I want boss one. I don't know if you sing it tonight. Because
Me take a bust your man face, cause if you underneath
What you
you
do
good,
up
your
in my
man
bed?
won't give you fear.
What you do up in my
And
bed?
I hear about this.
Then
Are you by bed?
is who's one?
I him a pay for the place, not you. Darling dear.
Ah,
If
yeah.
I were you, I'd walk come because I feel shame.
So I saw you disrespect me. I saw you feel like you want to disrespect me.
You know what you do today? You call me. I met my baby mother. Which part from the area you go? You know that in that area if you turn. Where they do way back where she
Man.
come from?
A matter of fact, this even worth.
Where you do there?
Argue
That's
for.
my
Good,
baby mother
bye-bye
hear me
now.
from the phone.
You know, say
Oh, my baby mother hear me from the phone. I set
you know, say even though that girl they tell me say me and her is no more friend. You know, say me I go carry her down here. Yeah, she want to come down here.
How much she want when she come down
She
here?
want to come down here.
How much she
Because
got when
you
she come
see
down
you,
here?
you is a wicked piece of man. And you see you, girl.
What your
You should
problem?
have shame of yourself.
Oh, you should have
You having
shame.
sex with the uncle now?
I am my uncle, me dear. I am they come up with a plan there. It's not my uncle, it's my man.
No, but
Oh.
at first what you say?
I'm my uncle.
Oh.
Because you and him did there and he never
How is
come
it
out
not
yet.
know your uncle?
Because me tired to hide. Me owning up the man. Me a own up the man now.
You come like animal from
You are. Me did love you one time.
Right.
Me don't want hear nothing. Me don't want hear nothing from
Me
you.
did love you one time, but see how you make me baby mother here one. Your time expire. Wallace.
Pampas Batty. One.
Oh, don't worry yourself, girl. My
What?
name is in his account. Bye bye.
What?
Gonna dry. Bye.
That's how I think.
What you
Yeah.
get?
Don't worry yourself.
What?
Don't worry yourself, me dear. One.
What?
Bye-bye.
Hold that. Save it for your leakage.
Me not no leakage. Underneath it smell like sewage.
Save it for your leakage. So
Sewage!
remember, I had him in there.
No, are you in my farm? Are you in my
I
farm?
think you better talk. You can't be saying make him dash it back to you. Half of me give me. You make him style you.
You want it?
What if you do it?
Me not know. What you think of do with it? Put your face in it. Lock the door.
I think your nose was fit tonight. Anyway, me go bed.
Okay, me there here.
Slimmers, see your part, sir. Eh?
You not get a message?
You think a joke? You think a prank, yeah, a prank?
You did see the camera?
I never have seen no camera. But actually, when the TikTok thing come down, we just a video phone call and a video text or some style and post it and I laugh.
Hello. Me know why you.
You mean you know what me?
You can't do nothing for me again.
Through my foot broke, you gonna left me?
Right now, more money. You can't give me it.
Right now. But I can give you probably look more or tomorrow.
Want it now.
Hmm?
As me snap my fingers so. Want to reach now me
Can't
hand.
roast on a fairy tale list. Real life. On a fairy tale list, man.
That's what me you can do. And you need to go in a bed again.
When you foot better, man, I go better in a bed.
No, sir.
PS style and so
Me can't wait so long.
I can't wait so long. Me still can't work, you know.
No.
Panny 1 foot, you know. You don't know where you with it. I saw me, I got to with it, man. Panny 1 foot. Me can't do it same way. You have to just give me a chance.
That's too soft.
Me can't do it harder to I want, me don't want to hurt myself on the wall, but you know where go already. If I say, I right man for you, you know, so me can't do me so.
Daddy can't choose for me. Or he's not the right man for me.
What?
Yes. Huh?
So what I'm now? Talk to me now. Talk to me. Cause right now, me not happy
I'm
right
not
now.
talking with you right now.
Eh?
I'm not talking with you. My broke like dog and I have no money.
Me I get money for this, man. No worry yourself, man. Weekend money I come. Enough money.
Show me $100 right now.
Eh?
Show me $100 right now.
Me spend it. Me spend it, man. But weekend money, what day a weekend? Enough money. You know,
I can't wait for a weekend. My money in my hand.
Tell me I don't know if I
as it, see, as it touch 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock before they get money. Right away.
Weekend?
No. You see, as they like money for reaching in my hand. See, mornings, when it touch 6 o'clock, money for in my hand. You see that evening? When it touch 5, money for in my hand.
Can't can't believe I met those things. Can't
Somebody
believe.
better than you still.
Who?
Somebody.
So you can't tell me who?
No. Find out for yourself.
Everything good. Don't worry yourself so much. Big up yourself, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Big up yourself.
And somebody go take care of you though later.
Yes, son-in-law. Backside, you must can't get a drinking idea. What go on?
Wrong name, bossy. Wrong name, that bossy. Me not say again, bossy.
Huh?
Me not say again.
Why?
The daughter left me a while ago. He sent a message before, so I'm thinking a prank. But he does
My daughter dumped you?
Your daughter dumped me, so my foot broke. Me not working, so me not good in the bed again.
So my daughter worry about sex.
Yeah.
That love.
Yeah. Must say me can't work for give him no money. Say I want money every day. I say wait money for in a hand.
I see how this go like mother like daughter. Cause I like father like daughter and I like mother like daughter. Cause that's why mama left me, you know. His mama left me because one night they go drink and come in. And poor Jimmy couldn't get up. Jimmy was sleeping.
You couldn't make that, Papa. How to make that?
And the woman go next door. But one of my enemy.
Me ask my window, but he not tell me. What if my enemy true? Me can't want to tell me. Because I know some of the things, you know.
You see, in life, this when you get a woman and they don't cherish you. You don't run them down.
Me can't run them down right now.
You look. What happened?
You know, see me can't run them right now. Look on my foot. Me can't run them
God,
down.
that's what you're saying. You see, maybe I want look start girl take up on the bike and the bike run off somewhere and broke your foot. Sometimes you have to think about that. You see, some women we too greedy.
In a which way?
We have good woman and yet we can't out a road and take up some other
No,
side.
when I say greedy for you, in a which way? Food?
No.
What?
Woman wise. Yeah,
No, you can't greedy for woman, my father. If you greedy for woman, food you greedy for food.
No, you have man greedy for woman. They have them good old woman a yard and yet them a run down back our next woman out a road.
Some man.
Most man.
You're greedy.
99.9.
Say if you're greedy.
No. But me I try to show you something. 99.9 of them good woman a yard and then take up disease out a road.
That's true.
That's why AIDS can never stop give. What you call it? What that one? The bullet one, what name?
Oh, gonorrhea.
Right. That's why most of them have gonorrhea. Because they are them good woman a yard and then go, let's go see one girl and then just take it. Boom! One shot, pow! Doctor then and then come in and give the woman and then blame him for the woman, you know.
That's true.
Blame him for the woman, say the woman a cheat, you know.
And them a go to road go do things.
And them a go to road go do things.
But you know me not do nothing, me work.
Me not know that.
What?
So how my daughter that left you?
What me tell you say a while ago?
What?
Me foot broke. Me can't give her no money. I can't perform in her bed. That's what she tell me. But
well,
me can't deal with it.
Me can't talk to her about it. Me can't talk to her about the broke foot part. But me can't talk to her about the perform good in a bed. Because
and the money part.
If you know your Jimmy can't get up here, you use the tongue. You should have just do that and make
So yo. So when time for your woman, and you gotta go drink a paper rum, and Jimmy now work, you use tongue?
No, me tongue no use neither. If one Jimmy dead, tongue dead too. So you should have do that.
Aye, sir. Take your word for it, sir.
Queer, how we go?
You know, say, brother, me go check. You there for me?
No, you know, say, just see me and ask me. And who me there with
I
do?
feel like say a full time now if you tell me brother say yo, I'm here and you deal.
Yeah, hear that?
I know say you that, but I'm my brother that, you know. I remember say, man take care when in the up, so you can't deal with the man them type of way there.
Me not ready for tell him yet. Want him find out of him own.
Yeah, probably want to put me in with my brother, you know. So anyways, we go up and so go sit down and talk.
Come on.
Because I'm not really one thing go sit down.
That's true.
You know, so between me and you still, me think a full time for make my brother know what I go on.
That's true. I agree with you.
Because you know, go make me and my brother and things, you know.
Yeah, him not in nothing.
Hello, I'm
you
my
just
brother.
accept it.
I'm my brother that, and if him see me and you move certain type of way, I want to rush me and I have to go kick him in the foot. I mean, I want to do my brother that. You see me?
So, if him ex left him and go to him brother, something wrong?
No, that look how weird, yo. You gotta go look like he's something, to you, man. You don't look right. You look right here?
He look right for me.
Mama, we have to just make him nigga know what is what. You see me, cause at the end of the day, I'm a blood brother, you see me? Alright, watch out. When you see him back, me and you and him, I will just make you know what is what.
No problem.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
And then we just, because me tell us me don't really like.
Yes, Papa. Yeah.
Daddy, where am I, buddy?
No, man, I'm not joking this. I'm not joking this. I'm not joking. I job on this. Job on you, I job on brother. Lift up your hand. Lift up your hand. Lift up your hand.
Daddy,
Lift up your hand.
Daddy, want me to you?
The brother.
Yeah, man, I'm your man.
Are you?
Yeah.
Sit down, let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, me a reason with her.
So job on is what you done, so.
Him dead.
So him did right. You dump him.
Daddy.
But him brother.
Daddy, stop going so job on the hand not figure we again, and I see.
I
He
don't
need we
busy.
can't stand up.
Me not busy about the sex life. Because he had tongue. Me not busy about that. Me talking about this right now. How you fulfill with one brother skin out the one brother that can come give the next brother? Yeah, you that?
In the pan in 2 foot, in the pan 1.
Watch out now, my brother time kinda expire now, you see me?
Tell him again.
Are you?
Watch out now.
What kind of brother you be?
Watch out now. Me I take care of him, brother. I know nothing wrong with that. Make him go and heal up for him foot, man, and go
So
on.
you see life?
Daddy, I want me to you.
I said you see life?
You never whore out too.
Who?
Yo!
Whore out how?
Mommy tell me everything, boy, you.
Your mother was a kettle.
And you was a what?
She look like you follow in her footsteps. Eh? Your mother used to have man a jump through my window. Every time I come in the door, lock me can't be on
You
the
look at her under her bed, she hide them.
You see you? If you don't change your lifestyle, me I tell you the truth. So when film foot broke, I them poopa, you gonna take.
Mm-hmm.
What you say?
You see what I try to show you? Right, mother
I
like
mean
that.
it because him a chat.
You know some not trust a girl. Go on with the father. Get up and go on with the father. Get up.
I don't know like that.
Get up and go on here, yeah, with the poopa. Want you? Get up, man. Get up. From the child. Get up. Go on here, yeah.
You fucked him, bro. Anyway,
Go on up with that.
that's how you have my new son-in-law.
Yeah.
Me I look at you. I do much.
You look at me, I run shop.
This is the reason why me rate your brother more than you. He's a teacher.
So now you rate my brother then. Go on up, man.
You see you.
That's a big man enough for the beg. Go on up, man.
I this.
Me nah diss your brother, but
Alright.
me and my brother are two different. So,
Don't move.
me not me a move for.
Don't move.
Babes, where you do done here, so?
Eh?
Where you do done here?
And my boss, me there saw wait pan if you come check me with a uncle thing.
What you mean?
Me a wait for my boss to come check me, cause if you go pan a little thing, little more, you know. So me there wait for me, you there pan?
Me there, you know, you alright?
Yeah, man, me active, man. You cook up a yard, eh?
Yeah. Anyways, come, we are good on.
Wow, that name some of the food is in
Come on!
cloud. Ah, yes, okay. Bro.
I go now.
Why you pray?
Damn father, man, I
Think
go on
good.
well
I know
up
what
rice
you see
season.
for your be little while up.
That left me, man.
Eh?
That left me, dog.
Georgia youth, all in that the nigga they take for your woman. Wicked, you know?
That me ask about a normal praying. Don't
Yeah, man,
me
if
say
you
what
catch him,
go
I
on.
know my broke him foot, me I tell a boy.
Boy.
Yeah, man. No, me
Me
there
know
with
say-
moms and thing. Moms come check me up everywhere they are safe. Everywhere if you go, you see me? So yeah, man, me a drop down pan here, go see me can hold a eat on your there thing.
Yeah, we eat.
Me
Yeah, man, I gotta eat some.
you go find and get a new
True, but what I know we gotta eat.
one.
So I eat them. Food, eat.
That we do,
Jaden
no,
eat.
man. Also,
Which eat.
I gotta consume some food then. Bad.
Necessary.
You go do it.
Me there, man, I eat it.
Alright,
Rough life
my pick
easy,
me.
you know?
Come on, babe.
Alright, necessary.
Hi, God, now what's hot?
Where?
Babes. I'm ready for you.
Where you do ya?
You know me I do, me can't come check you again, baby.
Me and you left.
We had one me yard.
You still left on there? Easy yourself, man, baby. You mind. Give me come check, man. I can't.
You know, sorry, road me there, Congo?
Road there, Congo?
Yeah.
Just come, man. Come in, come easy yourself.
Yes, my son-in-law, you there?
Me there, daddy, come look for me, woman.
Lag.
Yeah, you're not there.
Hello.
A prank, man. I must prank.
Hello. Listen, my me have inform, you know.
Say what?
My me have inform.
Yo, big man. Talk to me, man.
Huh?
Talk to me, no.
Wow.
Daddy, you know, say that's why Mama left you came out enough you.
I'm not talking, not my time for talk. I'm not talking, relax. I'm not busy with that. My son-in-law.
Yeah.
The rough part of your shit, you know, both way.
Mm.
Both way rough.
What do you mean, both way? Give me first way.
Well, on. I'm not sure person listen to me. They go road.
Hello. Me talking. The man, see, how long you out to sit down?
Oh, 1, 2, 3 hour now.
Yeah, there. I in a house. Or 2, 3 hour.
Yeah, I know I'm ready for go
This
road.
is love. This is love. If this a man can sit down and wait for you, right? How this a call me? You're well lucky. As much as I called me one time, if this a man can...
How would you man that?
You know, worry about me. Worry about your situation.
I'm a new stepmother. More meet her.
Girl, I don't want to get the clutch stick, you know. I don't want to get it. You love me, daughter?
Hey, me, somebody else right now.
What name love?
You know love. Right, I'll go for your knife and give me heart. That is love.
Yeah, you that? Your thing said, I am going to take out my heart. You are a woman and tell him to me love her?
Me love her.
You fool your fuck. When you take out your heart...
No, your daughter, me don't feel like your daughter.
Eh?
Me don't feel like your daughter, you know?
Listen, me tell
Me
you
don't
something.
believe I'm a father, you know.
You see, woman is like a viper.
Mm-hmm. Say that a viper.
Then there's a stick. No, not every woman. But she a viper. Cause what she a do now, past viper.
What she a do?
Now.
Talk to me, father. What she a do?
Huh?
What she a do? What me don't know about?
My job to tell you that. I might pick him and I'll let him down.
Yo, me have a thing can give you.
How much you have?
I want to know, say, you was to spend all them for. I have a 5 bills can give you.
You
5 bills and no money.
You know?
Even me hard.
No, me not buy pussy in a bag. I don't like it first time. You know. You have to confess to him one day, you know.
Talk to me, father. You
I
can know
don't know.
something, man. Where you hide?
Eh?
Who no hide?
She tell me, say, down the dead. And you know, no use. So I take up somebody else.
Since my foot
But
broke
if
down the dead.
somebody else I take up.
Since
You're
foot broke down the
dead.
dead.
You're dead.
I'm there so living to talk to you.
You can't turn up.
Jesus Christ, take time and talk and something that make people too much hear than hear. Don't let it pitch you. He's a wicked, you know, girl. What do you mean don't let it? A 3 foot broke down the dead now. I'm not gonna get him down the dead now.
Dr. Foster.
Good.
Yes.
Me can't actually foot broke, me can't do it good. Me tell you me can't do it already. Me show you me can't do it already.
Hold on
One
there.
foot
Hold on,
style.
man. Me on the phone with Dr. Foster. Dr. Foster, yeah. My daughter have a problem. Yeah. Yes, ma. You remember my son-in-law, Jabon? When me sitting up there when he
Stop calling
he
yourself
crash
me
off
your
my bike.
son-in-law.
Yes, him see him, man. Yeah, man, in good, man, in good. There's a problem, though. Yes, my daughter dumped him to one different man, but I can't call the man name, you know.
Like you know what go on, papi.
You don't know what I want, you know, Dr. Foster. And that me call him out, you know, the main part. My daughter say, look at Jimmy dead. So me I wonder if you had nothing for it. Because me don't really want my daughter go the wrong road, you know. I want him date him same way, like a good boy. You want him to take care of the bills, then.
Then you can't make it enough for you.
No man can do that.
I want the
No man can do that.
I'm going to get the clocks, you know, y'all.
Mama, where you even go?
Me there from father.
Well,
Me tell you, wait, me take a quick breath.
say why you even say daddy?
Cause in the first me for there with me ex. Then no good something like that.
That's me better. I know good something, man. When you can't work out and look out. Thing.
Me no want him.
My guy, remember I said the man spend par you when him did up. You see me? So nothing wrong if you just go and beer with the nigga.
Me can't bear no longer. Barely want food.
It will get better eventually, you man know that.
It not get better. You look like a whole baby over him.
You see, me and my woman there, I live good and with the road through. You know, I never give my woman money. Never. I will never, ever, ever think about that. You see me?
Hello.
Alright, babes?
Hi, hear me alright?
Alright, babes? Okay. No,
They say you don't take care of one.
No, sir. No.
You trust
give
man?
my woman bun.
Yeah, me trust him.
Okay. She trusts me.
Me can't look
Trust
up
me.
nice.
No, you
What
can't
you mean
let
by
your
that?
woman that.
Girl, man a dog. No, not all of them, not all of them.
Where you don't know a bigger lie you?
Oh.
Anyways, just give my brother a next chance. Just because you know you're my sister-in-law.
Anyways, me know I hear about this. Check me later. Up a house.
What she mean by check later up a house?
Oh, should you want me fix one and sock it for her up there?
What kind of socket?
No, man.
Mom.
I current.
I'm a brother-in-law.
No, current now.
Me no want this, yeah.
Me no want her. I never did something like she. Girl, go on home. Go on home for
In short, you know, see me not
Okay.
deal with short guys.
Alright, go on home. Don't worry about her. Yeah, she want me fix her sock it up the fear because
We
my
no
current
know
now
good
flow
are you.
through.
Oh.
Yeah, so
If
she
you
want
say
me
so.
Yeah, I go down my yard.
I got you, man, and you.
So you say I go on now, babes, you good?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, you need to stop being so crazy. You see me? Stop being so jealous and them look away there.
What you mean?
You know me I talk about? If you see me on the phone, who you talk to? Any little thing, where me I go? Me I go road, where me
Yeah,
I go?
me have to know because you're a dog.
You see me on the phone, what you mean me a dog?
You whore too much. And any day I find out say you cheat for me and I go like you.
You see that with you now, I be a negativity I think about. You see me?
You soon know.
Me not so we can hold a shower in peace, you want to be here with me.
So we not there.
Yeah, but me not like when y'all look for me some type of way youth. And you touch cheese, bro. You just want, dear. Yeah,
But you belong to me.
We there, me not belong to you, we there. You see me, you can't do them style, brother.
You say any day I find out say you cheat for me. You see there's something the way you have me, I go poppy.
How me I go for cheat?
And which party I go hit up at night time?
Me go road with the boys, them. You see me? And 1, 2, 3, girl, you forward. You see me? But none of mine.
You go say so too.
No, for me for you.
You go
What?
say so too.
Say what?
You go say so. You have somebody out there. Stop tell lie.
Yes, I alone me have.
I don't believe that.
You know think say you in the future more if you still in the future. You have all of a thing planned for you now.
For real?
Yeah, second
Like what
down. Second down I have a one you
Yeah, buy me biggest for Spanish Hills.
if you money did it, why not? You know anything, do anything for my wife. You see me? Married the two and them look away there. I know I am a babes.
No, so wife, because I ring that up on my finger.
Let me say me I go turn her into my wife.
You're gonna pay me?
Hmm?
You're gonna pay me?
Know how you make it sound, but when people propose upon any you go, I say, will you marry me? And then sound there. But when the your time come, you will know what is what.
Me hungry.
You want for this.
Seafood, boy.
That's not no problem. I can't go down your road to be with that. I do me have so much to talk about. Go down your road and see what go on.
Where this girl there? Not answer her phone. Joey, come here. She don't know me who. Come here a minute, please. Come quick, man. Move fast. Do me a favor, quick and tank. Go call your sister. Tell her so me call her now.
So,
no idling. Me want her right here, right now.
which part exactly in there?
Me no know. Me a call her and she not answer. Go up on the road. She's usually at the bamboo tree.
Alright.
Call her and tell her so me want her. No. Alright. Please and thanks. Move fast. Move fast. Aye.
Watching love man like dog. Girl, where are the panny road?
Me they go down the road and come back. Awa.
Then I know say you woman over there look for
turn
you.
on your voice when you talk to
You
me.
can't turn on my voice. The lady need you over the yard.
Lady?
Your mother. We mother.
Me not come no way.
Remember you not come no way.
Come there, go down the road and come back.
You know say it's a nasty girl though. The time you there so with the man knows say you know wash your jaws them we have over there in that bath.
Hey. I feel jazz then. No
You wash your front for a morning?
Of course.
You clean the room for a morning?
Girl, you really come about me on the road?
Come on to the go like you. Why on? Come on to the go like you're a good girl. You're bath and dirty jaws over there. You not clean your room. No, you don't do. You're a nasty girl under disguise.
Girl.
Come go back to your lady. Come on.
Me not go no way.
Me I go tell him say me see you on road the man. I'm sure no say mommy no. Mommy
shut your mouth.
You sure no say mommy no know say you're a man you know?
No.
So come on, before me have to make you know that.
You know say you chat too much?
Lick me in my mouth.
You think I'm afraid?
Man, what you do, you know? Man, what you do? I dirty jars if you come and come wash. You have dirty jars over there. You know, clean the room for a morning.
I lie.
Come out here going like you're a good girl, just up in your clothes.
I'm a little sister.
Come on.
Be me see you later, yeah?
Yeah, man, do you think, man? I'm not sure you can come out now.
Go so. Come on.
Go on with the sister, man.
Come on.
You know something yet?
Go up the road, sir.
You know something yet here?
Me don't like you neither. I mean,
my time feel.
You can't see like a chill.
Chat
too much.
Hello, what you did there?
You know what I see? I walk with man, I hug up with man on the road.
You know see you chat too much?
What make you chatting a girl?
It's a question.
So you can't tap
question.
Me can't chat.
Me not 18.
Me? My business about you? See you if you talk today. May I come call you?
Yes, go in.
Just chat too much.
Don't want to talk to you. Say he's a boyfriend you have. You can talk to me.
Yes, mommy.
All right. The only thing we would say, why you never make me know him?
Mommy, it's just never the right time.
Never the right time. You don't know what the next 5 minutes can bring, the next hour can bring. Me now say you can't have a boyfriend, you know. I was 18 once and me have feelings and me know you would have feelings too. But you have to be wise. You have to be wise in these times. You have to use your head, not just your feelings.
So, mommy, me not use my head.
Anybody know him? What him name?
His name Bob.
Bob? What Bob? Bob Marley? Bob what?
Just Bob, mommy.
See that now? Imagine this. Imagine, God forbid, not no gossip, but imagine anything did happen to you. What me going to tell the police now?
Mommy, nothing happened.
Me not even know you leave the house and me never even know say you're gone. When them gonna ask me what your daughter was wearing, who is our friend? Who was she last
Mommy,
seen?
you're not for them up saying on me.
Me now say you know if I have feelings and a little boy you go and chat to one thing. But use caution, use your head. You do nothing with him?
No, mommy.
You know about condom?
Yes, mommy.
You use condom?
Mommy, me not have sex.
Me not born yesterday. All me I tell you. If you don't want to tell me for your business.
Mommy, want to go doctor?
Like you no go already.
I'm still a virgin.
Use protection in everything. Protect up this, sir. Protect this, sir. And definitely protect this, sir. You hear?
But condom can protect up yourself.
Use your head for protect it. Huh?
Me hear you, mommy.
And we want to know more about this young man. So you since
mommy,
you talk about him. Who is him family? Where him live? Where him come from?
Mommy, me I go make you meet him.
Today.
Okay then, mommy.
Soon and very soon.
I want to talk to you, look at that, you hear?
Good what?
Imagine she can disgrace me pan about how me have dirty panty over here fi wash and my room not clean for a morning. What kind of style that?
Well, if you never give her a cause, she wouldn't have chat.
But me not have nothing like that over here.
You're blind.
My room probably dirty, yes, but...
You're blind.
Me not no dirty panty over here.
You're blind. You're blind. What the room dirty with? When you come in and you drink and you can't manage it and you just take off your clothes and fling it everywhere. And me have to fling it off of the settee in your room. I beg you please and thanks. Go clean up the place. And don't make me say it twice.
Mommy, I said, I'm going there and see nothing here. I'm going to take them and throw them out the door.
I would love to see the day named day. You buy nothing for your sister, but you have the right to fling nothing of hers out the door. Let me see it. Please and thanks, go clean up. You can never give her any fish.
Oh boy. Evening.
Evening.
I had to walk. I walk today. Hey, Mr. Chinaman, go like he's smart, you see, man. Mister! Because it took man come there late, so that's why I come on hawk so late still. We don't need to reach up from 2 o'clock, but that's how you go.
Sun done set already.
No worry about that. We don't worry about that. You only want to know something and cheat. Where girls them there? Inside?
Inside.
Okay, so you cook?
Yeah, man.
What you cook?
Chicken breast.
Oh, God.
Irish.
Oh, God.
Yam.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
What?
You're not tired of chicken breast? You're not tired of chicken breast? Chicken breast with this. Chicken breast with pasta. Chicken breast with rice. Chicken breast with flour. Chicken breast with plantain. Chicken breast with banana.
You're not sick for complain. Try do it yourself then.
Miss who in a miss leave I talk about chicken breast.
I the only breast if you talk about other than mine. Try do it yourself
if your breast then withered up and done with long time. That's why then just cook them a breast. For the picking them barn and suck down the breast. Then nothing more.
Be your picnic them. Be your picnic.
Our picnic them. Our. Anyway, me think say a full time now you start help with the bills them. Yeah. I feel like say true me alone they go work every time me have to hide on a teeth, me string bag of flour and bag of rice to make a little side hustling. Right? Me say 2 women come there today, you know. I say me see them today, you know, and I watch them, you know. Teach them the feeding them, you know. When I look on them, I say, boy, look how life hard. The woman have your teeth feeding, just to come feeding baby. Wow to the workless father, them out there. Say, me are the only father. Stand up in my putting them life. Lord, some women they do like what me see them do, woman they do. Go left them like how them baby father go left them.
Response for them. Since me have to help with the bills them, no problem. Me feel say, you for help with the girls them. You for help with the cleaning. You for help with the sweeping. You for help with the washing up. You for help even talk to your daughter them.
What one more talking they want? You know, alright, you're there. You can call them.
No. Come me go upon the road, go and look work and do work. So since me have to help with the bills, it take 2 in everything, you know.
So what do them?
Go talk to them and find out. You know, say, Jody have a boyfriend.
Still news.
Okay.
Still news.
Okay. And you know, say she have everything. You know
Still
her
news.
name and everything.
Still news. Me know say the chair of a Chinaman son. But the boy sent 2 black. Yes, me hear the boy cha. So me no use me head because me want to know what I talk about. So me say, I know me I run joke with him. Say, no man, no other black girl ever done this some man. I look me and I don't want her, you know me say. So me say, I saw my daughter move. After a long time, my daughter bad like a yard. We can't do nothing. He done gone through the gate. Me talk to him, me talk to you. Me talk to him day and night.
No, you talk at her. You not talk to her. You talk at her.
Me even go to me we are embarrassed her in front of 2 boys.
So how she go listen to that? You have to sit her down as a father and talk to her and give her a man point of view.
If me as a boy picking it turn up in front 2 girl picking it and my father come there come embarrass me so me tap. Me no look no more woman until me old enough. Me I tell her that.
Like say you never breed me young, eh? And look how much time your mother chase you down with the frying pan and lick you in your head with the frying pan. And your name stop then. From you at 13, you a bus shot. So stop chat farting in my ear roll.
Me can
Talk to
ask you a question. What did catch you make you come over me yard?
your memory shot.
What did catch you make you come over me yard?
Memory shot. And you ask Johnny for ask me if he teach you with maths and lecture you with the maths and tutor you with maths.
And you come out.
And you start stretch. Oh, tired. And your hands start reach round. And you know where to touch and you know where to press. Huh? And you press up the button them. And boops.
And that's time with that advice no picking if you go no other picking yard go study cause then there's something that go happen.
See, and them they talk if you talk to your daughter them. Remember say them a girl child, anything happen them a bring to we.
The only one I can chat to is the little one. I can bend that the tree there before it grow. But you see a big hee-haw with those ton 18 gone what there. Me tell her I said do not bore in here and somebody phone me say neighbor bore. It come here?
Well, she, for we, pick me at 18. She a big woman on that level. All we can do is talk and advise.
Let me tell her
and
this.
if you did talk to her, then she wouldn't rebel, so.
Alright, she are 18, right? Remember, say you say my 18. So when you put out her backside, remember, sir, she are 18. The law now come force me to put her back in. Right? So I going go eat my nice dinner, chicken breast again. Cause that's all they give me, chicken breast.
You go here, carry on. That's the only breast you're gonna get. Go long.
No worry, Joey, oh, you're being alright, no problem.
Bro. How do it, bro? There, boy. I say everything good. Yeah, man, everything levels. Most some story you come to tell me, you know. No, sir. I just come to check up on a regular basic. Oh, yeah, boy. Me and for me girl, boy. Rough.
So what should do again?
Me can't go nowhere, bro. Me can't even take a shit in peace.
Judge,
I can't even bathe in peace.
Bro, me tell her how long she left that girl, you know. That girl gonna make you put herself in a problem, you know, bro.
Dog, me love her still in you, but girl too clingy, my youth.
Love, bro. And she had deal with this, so.
I just choose she just clingy. You see me, she want to hitch up on me. You know, I'm glad my sister can call her.
You can't have a girl that stay so, bro. You can't in a relationship with a girl that stay so, bro. She will make you put yourself in a problem.
The girl going on my phone.
Yeah.
And see one number mark. Save as my queen.
My queen.
Yeah, and she say I love you. I'll be Mom ready for me up, you know. And guess what? I'm a mother.
So she you know explain and tell her.
After me done explain, oh be sorry, me never know. Yeah, what you want? And I rub me. I say my girl, that's easy off here, man.
Boxing would have give me would have say blinky.
I just that my problem. She too clean. You see me can't go nowhere, dog. Me in a bathroom my bed. She have to dip on the toilet bowl. Me dip on the toilet bowl, she have to over and shower curtain and peep over. You don't like them style, bro.
Just get rid of that girl, bro. Run her away, bro. Get rid of her out of your life, bro.
Me I think about it, you know.
More than one woman out there, bro. Thousands of women out there, bro.
Wait there. Hello. My girl, tell yourself, watch me now, you. Me go and check my bedroom down the road. Better tell Suzette for mine I want a business. Tell your girl. Which woman me a forward? Alright, me a forward. You don't know what say, mama tell me, say how Suzette tell her, say, she see me down in a lane. I go over people, I go over a girl yard. However, you say me a forward, brother. Yo, so, bro, how you do to that? What that the girl do to you, so, bro, make sure I deal with that some type of way and you still, bro, me not used to you, so, bro. Something in a something, bro. Nah, I think I love you now, bro. Yo, yeah, though. We can it up, bro. Yeah, dad, me I come chip going, you know, can it up. Show me see how.
We are go. Girl, where are you? Hello? I'm gonna put something in. Oh, one spot. Yeah. Yeah, it was. Really? I get that. Then I'll tell you, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Probably tomorrow. I can't come to me an idea.
How you the phone it?
Best friend.
Which best friend? May I eat that? Eh? May I eat that?
No.
May I eat that?
Rotted. Jesus. Yeah, no. God, God. Well, you love man too much of that thing you get. That you love man like dog and that you forget.
Oh boy, have mercy. Where am I?
Oh,
That me like say do, man. Take up book, man. That you do. Me see where you study. I don't really understand what they are saying about. Me only want to know say something in the book. And the book not empty. But yeah, no. Sorry if you cut your book time. When you go up on the road, buy something to cook.
Like what?
Buy 2 pound of rice and 2 tin of mackerel. Me don't eat mackerel, so I can go and feed pan that till I come in with chicken. That I feel just lunch. So tell your mother when you come in, so me go buy dinner. And not tarry on the road. What me say?
I know tired on the road.
We not talk again, and okay. You see me talk again, me go ring off your mama head. So what you sit down and do? Hey, how you stamp feet off?
But you must stamp my feet. Hey, yes, if you go to shop, go to the shop,
Oh,
Wagwan girl, nothing girl. And like a storm blow, you know. Me no see you. Wagwan. You know, my phone flood up because my host start blow off. Me the rotted. Girl, she didn't even know. You know what? Me a walk come up, you know. Me, you see our master house. I wait there. Me can't see it now. So, me say me a walk come up come check and me a call you. You know, say service not up as yet. So, you know, say nah, pick up. So, me say, alright. Me a come up. So we are go. Me go shop here, come. Come on now.
What do you been?
Even.
Me tell you something.
I work with the community. So I have my shirt, I work with the community. I work with one place where I don't remember the community name, but you know, the big community, everything. I will give you food. You go
Central kitchen?
No.
Oh, so that's community I work with?
Yes, community. We help the community get my shirt, but through my day off, I'm soon, so I say, you're gonna tell you what go on in the area. We have some people who are come down with food and then give you food. And there are some people who come down and give you money. So which one you want? Money or food?
Food.
Which one you want? You look more smarter.
I take your money.
Right, you take too long to have money if you say. You say food, you don't belly too much with poison. Sometimes when one day, no can go somewhere, you get some whole heap of money. Whole heap of money.
So sketchy still, you know.
Anything for sketchy, I must have shorted.
Jeez. But alright, so, yeah, I carry, figure get whole heap of money. So, you know, say a community like, so, people now come in a community, yeah? So why we have to go out of the community?
And I never tell you say you come out of the community. Listen to what me I say. I come like say me a talk and me a stutter. Me a eat me wheat crackers. Listen to what me I say. Some people come down every year and give you some food, and give you food and then give you money. But people like how we will go around and ask you what you want is out of food or money. Sometimes they will say they have a mystery box and money.
So it's like a raffle thing.
Yes. Okay. But me personally, I bring uno go enough to tell nobody about it. Cause no one, nobody know take away the price from uno. Like, you know, you can Tanya. Cause you say you want food. Well, I'm on this. So, you look more smarter. It's when the time come, me go pack up with you. And bring you. Go give you. But the money there. Yanar.
So, top of that is now, so how you want to carry me and her, and I me pick the money and she pick the food?
No, we can't let her out. She still have to get food. She still have to come to get the food.
Oh.
Yeah, so when me soon need next time, me can know. Say your name.
Santina. Who? Jesus Christ. Just call me Giant, girl.
Alright, if you choke your head Giant.
Whoa, bye-bye. So, Andy, that doesn't sound right. Hey.
What do you? What do you? You have your hand on your head. Somebody dead? Your father dead or what?
Your father dead.
So you're walking, so.
Your father game. I'm a spot name to change guy passport.
Hold on. You do what?
Me last money where daddy give me for car shop.
How much money, sir?
$1,000.
So you so rich? You lose $1,000? What you do? Follow a friend?
No, me ask her if you follow me that walk go shop and then me see her and me ask her if she could have
Little girl, no rank with me now. Don't joke with me now. You know what $1,000 can do?
But I know my fault to the money lost.
I know your fault of who for hand you put the money in now.
Well, that's true still, you know. But I never me.
Since you have mouth, little girl, what happened? Cause me no believe say you lose money, so. What should buy?
Do you get for buy now? Buy looking at waste money gone.
You think so me born yesterday?
So I go when my walk job out.
Me born yesterday.
Me never see so.
Me born yesterday. You who love money and love things lose clear $1,000. What if me never buy the little cup soup? Me would have fart in here today. A pure poop and fart would have gone in at this your house today. You laugh about it. You think $1,000 easy if you come by, little girl. Here what? Before me do something to you, get in. Get in now. How you can lose $1,000? Make me find out, say thief it. Me
never thief it.
Go on before me. You go poop tonight. Oh, can't lose money, so. Look how me ask this little girl for tidy up the place, eh? And this she call tidy? No, sir. No. This not gonna work. Santina, come here.
Yes, mommy.
Me need ask you to tidy up the place before you leave.
But me dad studied this and me never get to finish.
You too lie. If you did that so you wouldn't have find time for link friend and go shop.
Me never daddy come in and say me for go shop.
You think so me born yesterday? Come sit down, I want to talk to you. Come sit down right here, sir. And me want to make sure say it go in there, sir, and turn in there, sir. Now come out here. Fantine, you's a good girl. You used to be so good and so helpful. Me no know what become you now. You no feel shame how the place stay.
But me tell you, say, I was going to clean it, but because daddy come catch me a study and then say me for go buy rice and mackerel. That's why the money lasts, and that is why me never finish clean up the house.
And you come back from when I'm not clean, but I know that. Me notice, say, since you are moved with that dry foot, troublesome girl, me notice you change. I mean, I like it. Since you are moved with she, me I lose my daughter. And it now go so. Let me tell you something. In this life, listen to me, in this life, you only deal with only quality people. OQP. OQP in your life. Only quality people. You know, one follow broke friend that has a lick.
Lunch must ready. Lunch must ready, you know. Come, go for the lunch. Go for the lunch. That's very sauce and ice coming in mackerel.
May you move closer to me for tell your father. No move closer to me, talk to your father. Carl, me know say a pair poopings are go on tonight.
Pair what?
A pair poopings are go on tonight, D.
How will be a joke? How will you not care for?
She know what I come, so she psychic
Go for the food, no, man.
Go for it, man. Go for it.
Go for the food.
Wait, this is an idiot girl. Go talk to your papa and tell your father what happened. But you're going in the kitchen.
Run the food, man. Run the food.
Tell your father.
There is no food.
Now hide behind me. Go talk to your papa and him send you. Tell me something. Hey, how much money you give her for go shop?
$1,000.
Okay.
And I left my veggie chunks. I cook my veggie chunks, you know. I leave it until I buy 2 tin of mackerel. 2 for a rice. Because 1 tin for you and 1 tin for you. They have my veggie chunks already.
Oh God, and with the change you're going to buy drink and thing and sweeten up my man.
No, you do the change. We don't want to see the rice cook.
Oh, you want to see the rice cook. Talk, man. You have mouth for talk all the time. Your daughter lost the money. No food now cook. So that's why me sing about pooping now today. Poopings are going tonight. Because we born yesterday. Yeah, look at me, Safa. How she lose money?
Me.
So, me hard working money. When me I work, and a thief me, and a scam me. I walk me, and on a free come, stand part and nobody no care nothing come to it. Government get 400 generator and then they do it none.
Preach it.
God bless JPS, the line come back.
Preach it.
And you want to tell me how this laggerhead pick me here. And the mama,
your
and
daughter.
no food no cook.
I don't say the food no cooking the daddy. The money last.
Now you're idiot to forgive her $4,000.
What you did there?
Yes, what you did there.
Put my face. One and a yes.
Put
it up.
Yes, mommy, where you did there.
Where were you?
Santina this.
Where were you?
Me gone up and lucky me buy cup soup.
Oh, see yourself. I'll put me down in the pit.
Me buy cup soup.
For yourself.
She come and tell me, say, she lose $1,000.
My question is, where were you?
Yes, where were you, mommy?
So
Mommy, where did there?
Me feel like in the house.
Listen to me, you're home and you're not supposed to be on the road. A man, queen must always be home. If she's not working, and it's you, I'm going to punish you for me $1,000.
I never my fault.
For a man, no breakfast.
Jesus.
Okay.
Give me some bit. Don't take away breakfast. Jesus Christ. If you talk alright, no bother.
If you know, you want next one too. Wait, where you go?
What do you mean, where me go?
I don't trust you. I think we need a DNA too. Come in, I trust you. I don't trust you.
Oh, so you need DNA to your fire blanks.
What fire blanks?
Well,
right.
I only you me the with, and you take my cherry. Me no know no other man like that. So, if you need DNA test, it must be because you are fire blanks.
Make it be the last time you left out of this yard, yeah? When you get
Go
up
tell her off, man. Go deal with the daughter. What you tell me off for?
Don't worry. I'm a mash it now. Look more for me.
Go deal with the daughter, man.
Look more.
And she lose your money, not me. Santini. And that my love. That's my good girl. You see, them things me love. And when you look in your book, a bear tick you see. A bear tick. You're a bright girl. You might think me dip on your case. But sure me want the best for you. You see, show me a company, I tell you who you are. Me going to talk to me smarty, you know. And go ask her in the shop. And anyhow, she tell me, say you spend $1,000. You're in trouble.
But me never spend no money, that's what I am trying to say. The money lasts. Remember me tell you, me and the girl a walk. When me feel on my side, me can't find the money, and in my side, me put the money after that, they give me the money.
You love friend too much. Me always I tell you, show me a company, I tell you who you are. She's a troublemaker. You know, sis, from you start follow back as she. You start get Red Cross. You start school. And you start the things me not like your father and like me have to keep them away from him. Me can't tell your father everything. Can we bust your backside for you today? Start pick up back yourself. I want back my baby girl. I want back my good girl here. And this my love you see you take your book. Cause friend not give you no education, you know. When she gone do what she fi do. She not turn back on you when you don't. And when you want a job and when you want build house and that, she not go pitch by you. Friend my business then. You have to look after yourself. Me not say you no fair friend, you know. But choose the right friend, baby. That one no good.
Me hear you.
Alright.
Yeah, me hear you.
Alright, me still gonna check with the shop, you know. And you better pray to the Almighty, say. Them tell me say you come in, they go spend $1,000. But me I give you the benefit of the doubt. Alright, me I go road and me soon come back. When your father wake up, tell him say me soon come. Me love you here.
Oh God, have mercy. Where mother?
How many if you know? No, you and she share the same room.
Me and her share the same room. No means when she get up, me know where she gone. You're there and you're up. You're in your book. Me like that. But where is your mother?
As I said, I don't see her.
You don't see her from morning?
No.
That's why I try to tell me, say, you don't see none from morning.
Come there in the book. The book I talk to me. I talk to the book.
You see any day named D.I. Waller, you're going here. A matter of fact, I must catch. I must soon find out, you know. I must soon figure out where I come from. Alright, so we were sitting there with Susie. Right? And you tell her, say, let's see how much dear partner me have paid for. Because right now, your father no stabilizing now, 5,000 a day. Me chat nonsense, $1,000 a day. So 3 sevens how much again?
21.
21, bright girl, you're smart. And 4 sevens.
No, 7 of it can.
47.
You don't need to look at that. You don't need to look at that.
28.
What are you looking at that for? 5'7".
35.
Okay. Alright, 35. So this a 3. No, I'm not pay so much pardon, I'm gonna read that. Me not be the foolish one, you know. I pay 221, 14, 2 week with a partner. Cause me, you know, when we be on the safe side. Cause you want money, no green, no, you everlasting money then. You're good on our sister Susie. Tell her I say me I pay for the week, partner.
Alright.
That's for the week. $1,000 a day. How much me say a day?
$1,000.
Right. And see, when they collect my partner jar, I hit never use. Build up the property when I build up one nice 2 room, one for your mother, your workless mama, and a bathroom and a kitchen. Yeah. So we can live comfortable. What me say now?
Upper Susie.
And listen to me. Don't make 3 o'clock catch up on the road. You see if, look at the phone, good. You see if 3 o'clock catch up on the road, you talk to me. You see them here? Are you the way upon? Go on. Why? Every minute you have the book. I mean, I see you like you have no pen. You're not going no further. Where am I pan? I use the head pan me and hear me I come. Right.
Little girl, I'm tell her to clean up and she still can't clean. Sure.
Yes, but I want to know. Talk to me now. But I want to know where you come from.
Who just come in?
Anybody who just come in?
Are you just walking where you did there?
Who? Me one big man.
Me no own big woman.
Yes, but you're supposed to report to me. You're supposed to say, honey, I'm going on the road. I get up this morning. I did not see you. Right? So where did you go?
My business.
Oh.
Me gonna shop.
Your business. Your business. So what problem? You're in a mumble.
You fi say, me did there? Let me ask you something. Your daughter, I mean I take claim of this, say, me fi make my mouth slip. You send her go on road this morning?
Yeah. Me tell her go pay my partner. How was she there? What time she come back here? Because me tell her to make sure she come out before 3 o'clock, you know. Did 3 o'clock catch her up on the road? You sure? You sure you lie?
Come here, Santini, come here.
You sure you lie?
Every time now, call. What's the problem?
You pay the bill?
Yes.
Okay, good. That's all I want to know. I want to know if my partner pay. That's all because, you see, this is the, I know how much time I say I go pay my partner, you know, about 10 times now, that's all. 10 sevens are 70, yeah. 10 times now. I kiss a teeth.
No, I didn't look fly. I want fly. I want
me talk fly. To her, and this tell me say me fi make my mouth slip and run little island and fertilize. Your daughter.
Me never get raped.
Your blood.
Your daughter.
Me name.
And your back she come from.
How should I know if she come from here when you're the one push him out and next man could have entered before me?
Stop it. You don't know, says you pick my cherry and you's the only man me ever go with. Me no know no other man like that.
No, mommy, no. You have to stop telling lie. You're too liar. Remember the time when my customer come pick you up right there? You have to stop telling lie. Where did it go, mommy? I'm really alright. And that's
hold on.
Me go start sleep.
Talk about the bike taxi when me stop you climbing through window.
No! You never stop me!
Come here.
Jesus Christ!
Let me ask you a question.
You think you listen to her?
Which one?
You listen to her?
Listen good. Which one I play with me? Cause you say your mother go palm bike taxi come pick him up. Your mother I say
calm down,
bike taxi come pick you up when I go to window. So on no make up on the mind. Today, yeah, me want to know the truth. Me want to know if me I get hand, I want to know if you pick your cherry before time. That me want to know today, yeah.
Baby,
Hey!
You know me for half
Yeah, you don't know no more, yo.
Listen to me.
Ease up and let me go, man.
Listen.
Can you know say, you is my only one.
Listen, yeah? Try to make sure.
I
see you know.
You're a liar. Because you go to
the other day she come in here with a different scent. She tell me for one my mouth. Me I go check. If she really send us fertilizer.
I don't check too
much.
much.
Get rank with me. So still Charlotte get rank with you like you is not you not have to have no respect for.
Just try and make sure you know yourself. That's all me I tell you, try and make sure you know yourself. Cause see, if you don't know yourself, oh Lord have mercy. Remember me tell you that.
Me no say you not judge me off of your fat enough.
Me, I gonna make sure say, maybe you did right now, you look like you did 10 step on me. It's one. Cause me no know what one. So me, I gonna make sure me the 100 step on no. So me catch everything one I do. So when I reach to the finishing line, we say, got you.
Okay. I remember so the pig you raised, me raised the mother, and all the granny done dead. Remember that? A woman me name. Me might not chat, and me might not go on, but a woman me name.
All right.
Just remember that. You remember.
Remember the word they say to me now. Just repeat what you say. A woman, your name. Well, guess what?
I don't know if I'm a new day with different woman.
A man with name, and they always say man a dog. A war. So me,
no say,
me
your dog, me a bitch. So, don't bring me warn you. We are warn everybody, we warn you. Me's a volcano. Fire no run from man run from fire. Me move slow and steady, and as fast as 100 step be, me still a come feel. If me not catch you when you're awake, me much catch you when you're sleeping, remember?
You're a volcano, me I see.
Mm-hmm.
I shall cool down your pressure.
Oh, and you make the island, so go on.
All right.
Go on, man. Sure. What deal with that?
Hey, what did it?
In the day, I'm gonna see him.
Oh, that good, man. That good.
Okay. So when me talk to you, I'm gonna leave you in the house.
No, it said me go somewhere. That's
somewhere?
Why. Yes.
You not listen to me, you know? What you do with your dryad friend? And bring your dryad friend back to the house.
No, her hair is dry. See, my hair won't dry. Cause if that grow whole and then reach, my one screwy. And my hair dry, hair work.
Take your hand from your Kimber when you're in front of me, for one. What me and you talk about? What me and you, even before me leave the house this morning, what me and you talk about and say?
So to me say, yes, I remember.
Oh, me sister, you not remember. So me gonna say it out then. Young girl, how old you be? 15, I'm a big woman to you. And you can take your hand from your Kimber when you're talking to me as well, please, and thanks. You don't do that when you're talking to big people.
Mm-hmm.
It's bad manners.
Mm-hmm.
Me no want my daughter hang around with you. No disrespect to you and your family, but me no want my daughter hang around with you. I have ambition for my daughter.
So because you have ambition for me can't talk to the little girl?
When me see you come back on the right path, then you can be friends with whoever bring you back on the right path. But you see, since you start par, a bare wrong things me see shadow. I mean, I like it. So
how it is wrong? She lost the money. How it is wrong? It's my fault that she lost the money.
Lost the money. When you come on the scene, my girl, my daughter stopped learn how to wash up. She stopped learn how to pick up after herself. She stopped learn how to take her book. At the beginning of the term, my daughter had red tick in her book. Halfway through the term since she linked with you, I bear cross. So till she a cross me and I cross her papa and I have no manners.
How is that my fault?
Well, you is the common denominator. So me not like it. Whether I'm wrong or right, God forgive me if I'm wrong. But me not like it. And you have two options. Cause there's a lot of things me not tell your father, you know.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of things and you know it. So, start rearrange. I mean, me consider rearrange or my mouth going to start slip.
Well, Dad, your mouth of go start slip. Put like a oil funny will make you sleep like the slip on tile. Yeah. Hey.
Boy, Jah, you make me pick me drop for our head and forget put me a hole in this. Where you say what? Where you say what? Where you say what?
Mommy.
Where you say what?
Mommy.
Hey? Where you say what? You think say your friend not they not me can't do nothing to you?
Mommy.
You think your friend they me can't do nothing to you?
Me never see. No, me come
get it. You come go in your yard or go somewhere and please forget this.
Me so far, look more.
Stop going in the yard. Go in the yard. No, me a hoe. Sure.
Breaks. So yeah. My daddy just give me money and I go for a partner.
Money?
Yeah.
Money, yeah.
Safe.
So, brother, like you want to buy 2 burgers.
Oh, brother, I remember say I was like, so suppose you gonna notice now. Come
How
here.
am I gonna notice? Look how long we had do this and we not get catch. I didn't go and the woman and say, if you man get the money from you. So, what gonna be the difference?
No, you know, just I get free, you know.
I'm gonna show you something. Let me see money.
So you want the money for?
You go take this, you can just go give woman.
Mm-hmm.
When you carry money go give woman, you go down, na town, go buy 2 burgers. And the side, keep in our pocket as, you know, like a chum change. Cause your father idiot. You don't see how long he might give you money. Much days multiple days might give you money. No, you not gonna go check.
You say no lie.
Yeah, I don't know what is she, but not time for she. She can't wait one side, car. She go like say, Mr. Me have something to tell you, no? For day, me a pass a yard. That time me father name today. Me a pass a yard. See your mother come out, he back gate there so. See him come out. Me did them, me not nothing about. Me just, I mind something look. Now you man want tall, man. Me sit turn up. Me can't see person just like person. I pull over, see person. So, me see that turn up, me see my pop kiss and hug up. Me dear. So, me see it. And I'm brave, I say, no man, she don't know, you don't know about what one. Your mother go and like say, she had everything good. But other than that, when she attack me in front of your father, me chat. Me chat.
Oh dear, me see him on bike. To me I try go chat. But me want
you not gonna believe it. I have to chat your pa one away. Time I go push up and say, no honey, no, and nothing like that. You know your mother stay. Come on, got me hungry now, you know.
Come on, bro.
Big building.
So girl, up here.
Kinda.
That don't make no sense.
Come on, girl. Bro, mother house. Mother belly can sing, nice view and everything. Brother, so the people have money, you know, say they have more than one house. Cause it's the guy, no.
Unless I don't really make up a tea, so I'll some come and chill and something, you know?
So, which part of your room, the panny house?
No, so.
Oh.
It even done yet, my dear. One mind just for fun done. So where's the know about a money part, you know? Can me burger then the nice things, you know? And if you like going back to your man, I tell your man say, your father say, if you can like it too, girl.
Couldn't do that still, you know?
Or you want an early job. So weird, but if you get an early job, I must not pay most of the time. So how would I do that?
Pay most of the time, brother. Because I remember saying, no, a 9 week would I do it for?
Mm-hmm.
And I'll be a 2, most of the money we take out stills, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. Yo, brother,
I get a big money this too, you know?
Brother,
as $1,000.
Brother, nah lie, you know? All the rain come down stills, nah lie, you know? You look at $1,000, this.
Yeah! Nah. Actually, one burger buy no, but you look at $5 now, get two of them, man. Yeah. That did nice, man. That did nice.
Brother, king of fat, we still, you know?
On a regular day, man. Stop it out by now. But a regular day. Regular day.
Look, money, you know, pocket can say good on a pizza out tomorrow.
Right this up. Yeah. Right this up, bro. Brother. Talk your mother talk. I don't know she full of too much mouth. But just want, if I see a father, I will sure tell the father what I see. And if you don't believe me, tell me about me see him again. I'll video him. Proof. Can't say me see him, you know. Cause my phone see him too. She one like. Come on before your pa reach back. Cause if him reach back now.
And mommy no reach down. Hey.
Yeah, mother, right. Come on.
Why? Not even the yard. Oh, we're glad you eventually remember where you live. Where you come from?
Me did go to a road.
You love road as a little girlie.
So, me can't just sit down in the yard. So school not keeping it in Semeli so much down in school.
So you don't have exams that come soon. You don't have school work for do.
Remember the school not keep. I mean, I tell you.
Just because school not keep, you go wait for it to open up and then drop back. Keep in your book, man. Keep on top of your book. You there road more than me, and today is the first day. Your father can't complain. Cause when him come here, got the end of the yard.
So yeah, if you say, when daddy come here, go there in the yard. You know, say up to something. You're very well up to something.
Little girl know your place, so your mother you're talking to, know your dry foot friend. Remember that. Me notice here you forget your place, you know. And who is that young boy who come and call for you? Huh?
So, Olande no. Which one boy?
Which one? So how much them is? Let me tell you something. Me pop your neck before you papa, you know. And who him, so?
I'm a friend from school.
Ham bike?
Yeah, you know, you never say that, you know, remember, me have no fear now. When me start chat all over the place, you know, man. People are going to hear.
Chatty! One of you tell me they're on the road. Chatty. What?
Yeah, Chatty.
Me hear say, while the bird pinch me.
While
the bird pinch me. That's your pinch me.
Your brother pinch me in a minute. Pinch me. Tell her to me.
Listen me. How many times you go on and say, don't tell me about no birdie pinch you. More you know, say you see with your two yai. Don't tell me about no birdie pinch you. Because bird can't quote.
Well.
You know what I say? So where you come from, you come like, say, no, so we come back in the yard already, you know.
Oh, you never send her out?
Send him go where?
Oh.
Send him go where?
My gosh.
Listen to me.
I go buy juice.
And that's it.
I go buy juice.
Miss him. Because
buy juice.
We need to get to the partner lady and we can't get to her. Because we see look like something wrong with it. Like somebody damage it. But I have good on a digital replace it, right? And get a new SIM with my number. And see if the partner lady can call me because me lose her number. And lady
And you're supposed to come soon. So, Daddy, where you hold me up for this? Him to hold you.
Where they come from?
Me I come from right, I shop right there, so.
You sell her out?
Nope.
Who
Tell
sell
me,
you out?
sir, you send her.
Me go buy juice, cause.
Where juice?
Me drink yes.
Where evidence?
One buckle, one arm, and one small, bigger buckle.
Where you get money from?
Me did have money.
You give her money?
Nope.
When last you contribute to $1 to her? When last you contribute $1 to her? That
me tell you, me get the money from.
She start move with her triggerfoot friend. Me no put money in her hand.
So
Hey, you can't call me. You can't call me.
Oh.
where you get money from?
Me see it for the what? That's how me take it up.
I see your picnic.
Go ahead. Me laugh with you. Me laugh with you.
You listen to your father.
Which part of the blood she get from you?
Which way I feel your picnic that day and your side of family that come from. You know, see.
It call me jacket. You never did.
Wait. You're bright. Which part from the earth you find that the picnic shows
Me, I wonder if the hospital swap my baby hospital, you know.
Me not so maddy.
Listen.
Start out this shit. Yeah?
You're beginning to piss me off with this now, you know. Once you can do almost anything, but they don't blame me for things I don't do. And you drop word too much. If you have something for say, Papa, come out and say, cause me know say, you is the only man who got this, sir. You pick my cherry. You is the only man. I mean, notice say, you not even go there no more. Eh? You not even touch no more. So you know what you do at the road. I mean, let's say squats.
Alright. Me are the first man go there, say, right? So me ask you a question. The spirit can go the same time with me and breathe you. Eh?
Yeah, Joseph. Your name Joseph now. I mean name Mary.
Yes!
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Since Mary born, we call it impregnate before sperm enter. And she push out Jesus. This is not Jesus, you know.
No, I
That
agree
could
with
never
you
be
on
Jesus.
that. I agree with you
This
on
is
that.
the
That's a
devil's-
Pontius Pilate.
No, this is the devil's child they have here. You hear?
Real devil's child.
This, then we're going to do something with the twirl.
Oh, do what with the twirl?
Let's see what I say.
Do what with the twirl?
Talk to her.
Oh, you can't twirl. You can't put
me talk to her, me beg her, me reason with her. You know, sister,
you can't reason me because you have man come at your yard at night time when daddy not there. You have man come at your yard at night time when daddy not there.
Answer a question.
the same man that ride the bike can bring your man.
The same man will come in and ask your market. You is a liar than a thief. Once I
No, make sure raise my pressure, you know. Cause anyhow, me go up them stairs to her. A straight naked skin, me beat up, you know.
Teach us something.
Don't make me come up the stairs to you.
You look like
Nah,
them.
no.
When they did a push out the picnic, they did a laugh. Same time while they come out. You look like, say, you know, see if none of my color upon her skin.
Well, I know.
You give her all of your color.
Daddy,
What about my color?
Daddy,
Eh?
can I say something?
That's children, hold them out.
Can I say something?
Look for the edge. Not even coffee not so dry when you're fat, you see.
And your family look for your auntie.
Jesus.
Look for
Daddy.
your uncle. Remember,
Daddy.
you know the whole of your family, them, you know. The only one
Lady.
who come with the pretty hair is your mother, and your father have pretty little pretty hair too. The whole of your uncle and auntie, them a pepper pot brain pan their head.
Yeah, you know, you get a phone call today.
Me look like him.
From the boss.
Mommy, tell me something. Me look like him.
Answer it.
Me look like a Popeye.
Michael called me. And say, Blood G, me see your daughter do a Burger King yesterday. He might want loggerhead one. One with the short one and dwarf. The yam burger.
With your $1,000?
No! Me don't know when get money from. I could never $1,000 can buy 2 burger with cheesy fries and everything there. I don't know when get money from. And I don't know who get the money to buy burger.
Eh?
Oh, you don't have mouth now.
You know what I'm saying? You don't want clean, so I'm going to clean out in the house. Because
deal with it
I don't feel like I pick your man. Shouldn't that?
Me I wonder.
You remember
Me I
say you said
wonder,
me a jack.
because
So
me
you know
don't
what-
know what kind of spell that friend have her under. We talk to her, she see the evidence, she get in trouble, police are hold her and everything.
Yes, the police hold me.
And she still not learn.
My main question is where she get money to buy 2 burgers and send them and cheese.
Daddy, me go tell her me get the money from. Me go tell her me get the money from.
Come in with a sense. She must know.
Let me go
Like
tell her
a
me get the
boy
money
must
from.
know.
So I buy man. Come here.
Daddy, daddy.
It's a laugh out here one more time and bust head in the fan. Just laugh. Just laugh now. Open up your mouth. Make her push this down your throat. Open up your mouth. Say you're sorry. And where you get money to?
I want a mummy bag, me got thief.
Oh.
Me nah have no money
Like
like
mother
that.
like that. I saw you used to thief my money out.
I ain't nobody tell no lie from me. Don't do it.
I saw you
Don't
used to thief my
do
money out
it.
of my wallet and get it from you.
Really? Really?
Boy,
She deserve it. She deserve it. Oh, we are no. No, son, man, you lose your head.
Max said every day I'm up in you.
You know, tell this to my face.
Tell you.
But I know me hungry and the money but we can just...
Brother, me tell you say no, dog. But I forgot to lie. You remember? Cause daddy say, he go here and say, somebody, must you know him? Say me and you at Burger King. But I start afraid to fuck. Yeah.
So who would us be? Look how many... No, I don't see me can't bother
I'm
with.
so glad me buck up in now.
Jesus Christ, so when
Yeah.
you again.
You see again like you not glad to see me. Me some money me at about
Yeah,
Oh,
me
yeah,
happy
yeah,
now.
yeah,
Cause
yeah,
me
yeah.
need something. Me hungry. Me happy to see
As
you.
me I say now.
Mm-hmm.
You see tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
want to pack a big bag. Whole heap of clothes in it.
See what?
For look like your money.
Oh, I forgot what I know.
So, where big bag for? If I collect, where big bag for? How long we are stay?
See no want the money. We not time long.
Alright, we not stay long.
Quick time. As we no land so, pick up the money, back to the yard.
But more, me still not understand the bag part though. If we land, pick up money and go. What we want bag for?
I don't like talk to you.
Oh, you want the bag big say money can go in that bag?
At least you have more sense.
Okay.
Thank you. Where carry money in now? In your hand?
But me not carry one big old bag. Alright,
me guess what we
me
have
take
to
up
pack
to her.
4 million me I put in the bag go now.
Oh, no, you're talking business now. What time?
Every time you talk, you snap your tongue like say.
You know,
Dad?
he want to pierce so goodly, he want to pierce and just slap
Yeah,
it.
what time?
Link me I saw tomorrow night evening.
But when I say we pack it back, why we go pack it back and we go put it in there?
Me not like talk to little pit in the little pit in really and no sense, you know. You just say, pack the bag with clothes. So you can put the money so now what nobody no soon rob no.
Oh! For put it, me understand you put the money in there, but I'm put the clothes in the top. Mm-hmm. Okay, I understand. So if you pull the bag, nobody know what's in there.
So can big bag come. Big bag and pack with clothes. Sensible clothes to one you can put on to. If I nothing.
If I'm nothing.
Mm-hmm. So remember, meet me tomorrow. Look at 20 and look so.
No, how much is that clothes?
You know what?
That's
You just put
clothes.
some clothes there, but it's a question me now. Like every question me now. Move, man. Come here, when I want no beard.
Oh, come here. Come here now.
I want beard.
Want to ask you something. So, between me and you, it's because my father, me want to know what time, how long it to take. Or what time.
You never hear me lead that. If you need to sit down for your ears, if your ears they never sink in like a pig. You don't hear when me say it not take long.
Alright.
It's not taking long.
Alright.
As you could meet me pastor tomorrow and we walk, go right up the road and turn the corner, go in the corner, and you reach, I eat that. Simple as that. No long time. Put on properly clothes, not just like this here. I'm not nobody that want to know. Just properly will knock them.
Mommy, you see a pig, you see an elephant.
Nobody go want me. I know me feel like that. No, that was so right. Nobody go want me. And I said myself, no, me, you guys.
No,
guys simple sell. Not me, you.
Remember, say, I don't have no gas for the back in the you have it like, come on. My body flat in the sun and I'm here. Come on.
Oh. Where's mine? So you buy box food for we?
Where?
So hold on, you really buy chicken and you not even think about me and son? Kuya? No man. You couldn't really buy box food and not even think about we.
Boy.
We know this there. When me eat, right? When me eat good food. Puss surround me. Puss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 puss.
What yet? Who bet yet? He make yet puss?
Okay. I saw y'all go on. Remember say, long run, short catch. Me remember, you know, you really are going so. You really are going so. It's alright.
Yes, me have a question. What me I eat?
Ask the mother.
No, ask your pa, him have the money.
Alright. 12. You 5, you 10. Come.
Little girl, who you talk to so? Ain't me realize from the other day you deal with some foolishness. Me no come from under the so you know, and you come from yes so. Remember that little girl. You're not your dry girlfriend. Know who you talk to. You can deal with him so. Know who you deal with so. Me not take it. But you son, like me are a friend.
Alright.
Put up enough for me.
Hey, this your one ya? This morning he get up and dress up and go man yard. Goodbye.
You're the idiot to stand up there like idiot to look at me. And I listen to it.
So, I don't know my baby again, so I'm call it Charmaine.
Yes, Popeye.
Where you dress up go? This morning.
Where you go when you go out?
And anytime you dress up, I weather nature call. Because I know you for a very long time. When you're in a yard clothes, you don't horny. The moment you dress up and put on the cologne, you're very horny. So tell me now, where you go dress up this morning?
Listen, me understand the answer question like that, you know. Me can't come to you and question you about your business like that, you know. When I eat my food, me share with you and even she, you know. When me cook for everybody, you know. But me notice certain movements are going. So me notice say everybody to themselves. You come in with box food.
Zip it.
Box food.
Zip it. I make sure I buy Ghost Street today, you know, and put it. If you did check the cupboard, you just see the food there stack on pile. Zip it. You get me? I buy meat. You get me?
So when I cook meat, I don't cook none for you. You get it? Me no have no time for tarry with you, cause there's a whole lot of bag box with your name on it. Say, Irwa, my God.
No, come here. I wish you ever.
Deal with your daughter.
A big man. Make him go on. Anything when man look out and get him in a business. My belly is more important. You hear what me I say now? Yeah? I'm going to get this in the head. Right? You see, in times like this, when you have a good man, you hold on upon him.
Yes, if there was a good man, I would.
You hold on upon him.
Oh, absolutely. You see, when I find a good man, I'll definitely hold on to him. Yes, thank you for the tip.
See, you know, I'm telling you the reason why I never lay down with you for so long. You're not simulating me anymore.
Okay.
You're not simulating me anymore.
Okay, so we are
every time you go into the bed, you turn your back to me. You can never, me and you, there, and you are turning back to your husband. No, it don't work. So I cannot talk to you back, sweetie.
Oh,
I could never talk to you back.
Oh,
me say, me come in a bed in a man, and when me look at you, me boy get up. And the moment you turn your back, the boy go back down because me not deal with back door.
Oh, God.
You cannot turn your back on me.
Hush.
Turn the front. Let me open the front door. I love the front door.
Oh, God, hush.
Yeah, hush me? Hush yourself. Because guess what? I am very smarter than you, you know. You see today, when I go on a little minibus, and the man fling it around your hand, like this, and up on the bus, You never see nobody else running.
Me see you and the girl on the bus. That's why me allow him to put him hand on mine. What is good for the geese is good for the gander. I'm learning from the best. A good man. I'm only learning from you.
Sir!
You teach me.
Sir! And what me do, you try do.
Oh, darling. Let me try do.
Them always say, you know, if you can't play domino, don't sit around the domino table.
So we are
If you can't eat, you stay far from the damn kitchen.
Okay.
Eh? You see how woman like a unu? A woman like a unu make man put on a body bag and send on don't want to pick because unu selfish. Not because me.
Oh, we selfish. Okay. Go on, preach it. May I listen?
Not because me go find another woman who assimilate me. That means you will do that in the bus.
Oh dear, Osh. A tears you cry, oh Osh.
Hello.
Osh.
Tears of joy is over.
Osh.
I don't cry.
Oh good.
I don't tears.
Good. You and me both.
You know what you have to do? You have to go talk to my lawyer. Cause guess what? You see all the 15 years when you rob out of my life, you have to give me it back.
Okay. You turn to the
I need it back.
Wait for it, man. Just wait. Right there. It's a come.
You see the wig them when me used to buy a back then before you become a Rasta? I need that back.
Oh dear.
You see the shoes that me buy you for the anniversary? The 5th anniversary?
Okay.
No one back that.
Okay.
You see the jars that me buy you for the 15th anniversary that a couple months ago?
Oh
me want back that come here to man and take it off.
Oh dear.
Okay?
Osh. Mind your heart. Go on, mind your heart. Carry on.
I see the ghost that when me buy today, me and the catty, me a take back that.
Me never get none, so it don't mean nothing to me.
You want here again? You see my bank account, me wipe you out of it.
Me never did that in
Me take you out of it.
Oh God, that is nice.
Oh, so you
Oh, sorry. Was that supposed to bother me?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Oh, shh. All of that was supposed to raise my pressure.
So,
yeah, joke. I'm gone.
You know, thank you.
Later.
My box says all the time you try to hurt our feelings. No, but me a jackass. All right.
Big and nice. What on then? I want a girl you say we get the bag them again. No to it. Why am I a big bag in the middle? I want medium size bag, but I have to walk. Go 1 suit in there and that's it. Let me put 2 suit. Then good. So how you gonna go both for your bag? Bro. My bag pack, you know. Can you can get 1 bag too? How your people not one? Your people them. Terrible. Brother, terrible. Just get the bag them. I'm going to turn up what I should say. If you turn up. I'll be fine. You can't come back out that. Well, I know, brother. And get a joke now while I'm gonna. I take my time fast, bro, they're not even at me. But I'm going to tell this first for me go over there. Alright. I want to ask you where I get money from. The father money nice though. Not no lie. Money nice. But someone's go over. You can't come back out. Tell the pilot go. Remember, so we have back door and we have window. Alright, now we have the business. Come on.
Wow. I'm ready for outside the water, so. Me a ghost. You look like me a ghost. Enough badge. Go in. You must know.
Oh God, I'm tired. But Sia, hi. Where you go?
All the business.
Sorry, how old you be again? How old are you again?
14.
14. And you just a leave, so you know where she go? She tell you where she going at least?
Hello. She just passed me here like I'm a ghost. She just ignore like me not there. She passed me a while ago, you know.
Hi, little girl.
Go in. Is that you say Evelyn daddy?
She not even say nothing to you going in or nothing going out.
Just like how you pass me most of the time, and you know say, hey, not them.
Me ever write me and you a size, and me know why me do that. When you treat me a certain way, then you expect to get it back. When you treat me nicely, I treat you nice.
Me and you can never be size, because me and you now wearing no jazz. I'm wearing underpants and wearing jazz. How come me and you is size? That me want to know. Make up yourself, me taller than you, so we could never be a size in tallness. I don't have no breast, I have chest. So we could never be the same size. I have cucumber, you have apple. So we could never be the same size.
You mean you're cheat chicks? Let's be real, she not there, you're not to impress nobody. Cheat chicks.
Yeah, but me cheat chicks really and get a child though.
Okay, yes.
So you are going
Yes, how you are going, so you don't expect it back. But don't tell you, sir, what is good for the geese is good for the gander. Anything, anyhow you want to treat me is one love.
Why you want to be the top of me? Why you want to be...
You never complain when me not on top of you. You actually complain when me not on top of you.
Why every time you talk you cannot shame? Why? It's what?
Because the enemy on the outside is no greater than my voice on the inside. So your voice and your noise on the outside is not louder than my voice and my inner peace. You can't disturb me. All my picnic can't disturb me.
Look, as a mother, your picnic come here, take up bag and gone. And you don't know where she go. She don't say eh, she don't say bem, she don't say re.
At least me try get some information, you know do nothing, as a father. So, you see when she come in with belly, or come in, God forbid, with disease, you and she must know, cause una nah send me not to no early grave. Me see it happen to my family, it happen to me.
Let me ask you a question, and answer me truthfully. A father is a father, right? A father cannot sit down with them daughter and reason with them, because a father will thump them down in them face. A father will give them a fist in them face, because the moment we know say them have man, we quick off it thump them in them face. So, you understand? A mother knows soon here. We see your man, the man have money. That you do. That's why the people don't no manners to you, because you influence them. See eh?
So why should I no manners to you? As a man, as a father, why should I no manners to you? Please.
Because me have a feeling that look rust clot there, where you see, where you have there, is not mine.
Okay.
Because me now.
Yes, Joseph, go on.
So why every time I talk, you call me Joseph?
Because you know the Bible, Joseph is the only man me know what on earth that father a child and never father the child. So, if me do that too, me must be Mary and you must be Joseph.
No, you could never be Mary.
No, you could
Mary was a wonderful lady, and Mary never cursed her. Mary had manners.
You did that
Mary.
You did that.
Yeah, I was in that lifetime.
Okay.
I was in that lifetime.
Oh, so make me know. So you're so fool now. You're coming at this lot. Thank you. You explain a lot. You explain a lot. You really answer a lot of questions to me. Why you going so fool or idiot? But me not trying to argue with you. Cause you now raise my pressure.
You see, Ono woman? Ono woman now go make it so far for son of time. And you now go to a station go report it, say the little girl come out of the house, right? You're bad to me.
Woman, I'm supposed to stay here, remember? You don't know your own rules, man. You chat out to your mouth and you don't know what your chat say. You never tell me, say,
push out!
You're supposed to turn in the yard. So you is the one that love road. You are hey.
Done there. If me go look for me again the shovel, you know.
Then you know
what happened. Go look for you little bastard pitney where you push out. Go look for that. Because me never push out a child. Me in 30, your job is to protect.
Oh, no, hold on, you have a questioner. Now you say you insert her. Make up your mind.
Right, that's what me sit down. And the little dirty girl pass me going this way, you know, say, Evelyn daddy.
I
And
think
when
she
you
there with her friend. She not have no manners and she gone wild. May I tell her, may I talk to her?
which friend that?
Do you not see the little dry girl she always walk with?
Who?
In that batty and bench.
I don't know somebody that have friend, you know, cause me always see me at daytime, you know. So if you know that, you know, stop it. You're a workless mama.
You know what? Before me really
You're workless.
Before me tell you about parts of your body you know you have, me gone.
You're workless.
Yeah, what list like you? That's why me pick up what list, man. That I know I have nothing. Him not have nothing name little head, him have nothing name big head. Me a real what list me pick you up.
At least it's a boy and Lily. But in a workless.
Oh God.
We make history.
Oh.
Yeah, pick the funny way you're coming up.
Oh.
This make history.
You sure? You sure, Joseph? Cause you have special powers. You sure, Joseph? You sure? Hey!
I'm gonna look for me pick me up, man.
What you Can I tell them come one of them back home?
One of them? I mean, see your money cut down then.
I want to go on with your other friend there. He told never come for the prize. Want to see where she there?
Oh, she say she's the on her way to come.
You know, some can't wait for she to still can't wait for her. Because your father and maths so can't tell her. But to the person I'll give you the 10 million. Hold on there. Some person, we all talk a little bit more of business.
Mama, one that, no?
What does that say? You say, you say a 1 million per person. You want a good liver and kidney them there, you know. A good heart, that to fi cut out and yam.
Yeah, I feel like an animal.
So you go do with them?
I mean, say 1 million, then man call.
Yeah, nothing wrong. Give me the million. If me find another person, me bring her come, so it go be 2 million.
Alright, if I do that, me wire to your bank account.
Me here phone. Take out the phone, man.
You have Apple Pay?
The money come?
You don't see notification?
No, me think when I hear go ping. Do it one more time, man.
Yeah, you just 2 million amount. It take 2 minutes.
Yes, he come in now. He come in now. Yes. Oh God, man. Yes, God. Business right. Come.
But yeah.
Go on with him. You'll get the millions. He big bag pan him back. Yeah, go on, man.
So, what's your name, pretty miss?
Santina.
Santina.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now something very special for you. Come my way.
Go on. Oh, good no rat.
Miss Charmaine.
Oi.
What's Santina?
You a look for Santina? I know now Batty and Bedge. Me for ask you.
I don't know she there, so I'm coming.
So when last you see her?
Since April. Who's here?
Hold on. She come in proud as sponge earlier and breeze past everybody like Queen and Manna and come collect bag and gone with bag. So you never there with her?
No. Oh.
So what is? What really? What on the depon? What on the
honest? So one day, one girl come to me and say she work in the community. And she say, I will give back to the community, right? So she said to me, say, either food or money. So she asked me what more than one. I tell her I said food. Something like that, I said she don't want the money. So the girl said, okay. She's going to me idiot and give me wheat biscuit and put me one side. No juice or nothing, you know. And I talk something and tell something and say, she are gonna make we go for 400 and had money. 1,000 say we pack one bag, one big bag. And so we pack, you know. So when she say we pack one big bag, I say, we're gonna need big bag to collect money. We are gonna just come give back to the community. Cause my sister give back to the community. So why we have to go out of the community now to collect it? She said, no, I just say walk. We are gonna just go and carry about 4 suit of clothes in our bag and go and collect money and come back. So now.
Hey! Wait, what the brute there? You know
What? A fire or what?
Me give the girl me money to pay me partner every week. And me get the chip today. And finally, Susie call me go down there and Susie I show me say, when me do the money, me get the money. Me say, get which money, Susie? He say, my daughter throw 2,000 a week. Me say, Susie has 7 grand me throw every week.
Well.
And then, She collect the 2 grand.
Me tell you truth.
She not there, yeah.
Me tell you
Like
truth.
she tell you what go
Me
on
tell you
this.
truth. So when time I get 7,000, I go pay a partner. She take 5 and give lady 2.
Oh, wow, what is not this?
When she take 5, we go Burger King and eat and buy pizza sometime.
So, let me ask you a question, right? She buy the burger with. She buy the burger with.
Cha-cha.
So every week, and that happened to my money. Every time you give her money, and that's it. So who enjoy?
Me? And she?
Good.
Well, and her man?
Good.
No, she not a man. But
She enjoy.
every time I do this here night, I come out to him and hoodie. Oh, you remember? In terms of what made straight.
You know, sister, me not even move.
What she does say?
She say, since she deaf, she, Miss Liar Girl.
Told me that.
That she feels.
So one girl, they come, and so we are walk and say she give back to the community. She turned to me and say, if you want food or money, me say food, you have to take money.
Yeah, like her mother love money. Love money. That's why she breed.
So, the girl say, if you carry a big bag and put clothes in it, for go
okay!
At the bag, she walk out. Wait.
Come out with the bag. So you gotta stay with the girl. Okay.
The girl say she go carry go one place, collect your money and then come back. So, me don't know. And me not gone. Me there. So I go this outer road, she gone 3 girl. Cause girl say, if you come with a bag this evening, I'm not going.
So you don't see her none tall?
And when you go, you don't see her.
Every time I give her partner money, and the $1,000 when I give her to buy food to cook. Are you get it? Are you get it?
Not even business.
Are you get it?
They wash my hand.
Are you get it? Let me tell you this. Anyway, your mama and papa there, tell them, say, you want me partner money because you are the one who left alive. You hear me say? You hear me say? Make sure me get it. Me no want have to spit on the ground and it dry. You see you too? Big guy. You pack up and left me quarters.
Baby love, that done happen long time. Me nah no clothes for take out.
Oh yeah, and I'm more than one man, me see me thought they.
Me don't tell you, say, what is good for the geese is good for the gander, and the pig you raise, me raise the mother, and the granny done dead, and you think so you can't treat me like any old hog for this long time?
Gander, go on.
Hey.
Gander, go on.
Hi, I'm ring gone. Bye-bye.
Listen to me.
Tweedoo.
Come here.
Free born, free.
Baby, you go on, so.
Free as the wind blows.